I say Wrol.
We don't think we know that one there.
Yo. So Massive, we're gonna take a look inside of the tree house.
Let me get the flavor in my mouth first. I need it.
Me not try that when I empty stomach.
Flavor?
Brother. Listen to me, Massive. If you're not gonna try that cherry, try it with a very big open mind. Because it's bitter and sweet at the same time.
So this is the Suriname cherry. Oh, well, see that one there. Yeah, man.
Yeah, Wrol. I say him not like one of them. Black whisk, yellow yam. Why then call it black whisk? Oh.
Look, if you notice the whisk black.
Oh, down at the root part, black.
No, it's not just down at the root, but more side going up.
The vine.
Yeah, the vine there. So, and that is the whisk, and I eat black.
Mmm.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Whoa.
So here we are going. This is the road that we are chat to now.
Mm.
We send we go book up in our house over 300 years old.
One house over 300 years old.
That is it. Yeah, man. So this yard, this house here, as a matter of fact, the whole of this, it used to be a property for the great back in the days.
Mm.
I mean, all of this place here, so this was just one house. We captured the whole of this piece of property here, so from bushfire accident gone all the way around. So it's one of the great houses of Mayfield. Mayfield is a powerful community. So this is dirt. You can't find them houses built like that anymore. So the steel here, them wood here. Right now, if you carry one of them what them call it, nowadays nail and try to put in this as rotten as it look like it maybe.
That bend up.
It's bent up. It can't go through this, so you see it. So this is a dirt house. I mean, see the foundation.
So if it's so strong, Wrol, why did we stop using these techniques and not modernize on it?
No, that is it. That is our problem. As you see,
Which I say? What's here Wrol say what's the mama in them business? Come on now, Noel, man. Stop scaring me now, man.
Yeah, right. So inside the house, yeah. Yeah, man. I should watch them, man. So watch this now.
Wrol,
Yes, sir.
a 3 million what's me I look for?
Only 3 million, you see?
But bro, around 3 million let's see, man.
So
Wrol, go watch. Any wrong move in a ras?
yeah, you can't make no wrong move inside of this place. So you have to just keep it clean and firm. Yeah, you see all the arm them look shine and thing they don't like to drop on that.
I've never seen a wash sting somebody on their shoulder yet.
It's a mere
A face and a bed back. Cause I got somebody they train for over the years. You see how much should be man should be in the ground? If you just reach right there, so?
Yeah, done it.
And this is just one.
Alright.
Watch it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this. Give me a try. Give me a one try.
Noel, you see how much dig man dig just to do one? And if you look round, look at what Noel are going to do. A left hand you use all along?
Yeah, left hand.
Lord Jesus. I'm a mad thing. Watch out, look going free. Maddest life.
Yeah, watch the man in camp.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, people, so this is
Step.
Watch the man in camp for the man in camp them boots.
Right on the pinnacle.
Eh?
Look at this.
One occupies sky view and one occupies the flat. As a matter of fact, listen. One I think I love about them things. I never know so I saw them pretty and bossy.
On the inside, eh?
Watch it, hold on. Come here, man. I will take off this. I will have this.
Oh gosh.
Listen.
Oh yeah.
Come here. Come here. Come show the people what the house look like.
So
Come here, just a second.
this is how Noel brace last night.
Look on the man, them
So-
ends.
Comfortable bed. So Noel have blow up ends, blow up bed. You have space in bags them and so over here. So
Hold on. The man have all a ceiling fan.
so ceiling fan with lights. I think it's what I say.
Yo, listen.
This is how Noel sleep last night on top of the tree house. No joke.
Listen, man.
So no rain, no nothing gonna stop the vibe.
I that to them want to see how your quarter stake. I want to know where.
Alright. So this now was me. So me
Payment.
sleeping at this now.
When they went to somebody sleeping on an upside down tent.
Let me see what I got.
So me turn my tent upside down to get the hard top up in the air. And see we have the zipper and everything.
Hold on.
So this is me last night.
Look
now.
out, you know the man there thick
So, massive. So, see, me have the mesh all around, you know. The see-through mesh all around. So, crazy breeze. And coolings last night. So, boy, me a lie down, me just a look out for all I light them and thing right across for St. Elizabeth and Black River.
Westmoreland?
Yeah, so my bag with me clothes, then me had a bag, then me have my power bank, me charge my phone and do all of that. And trust me never need no fan nor nothing, bro. I freeze last night. Yeah, man. So yeah, massive big up and respect, you don't know, blessings for joining, you know what I mean? I owe this to my left. Oh, great Wrol. Clothes and skirt. He said, see you what? Why shake him here like him a rasta? It's a flat up that.
I mean,
hey, I'll be wait,
that's far right.
Make them see say, not up that. What I want to go, Java?
Ja, flat up's far right.
Yo, great, no way. Yo, me teacher, bad and bad. So massive, we are in the Maidstone area. You understand? So why me say Maidstone is because it's the Maidstone area we drive from, come to this beautiful place. So it is known as Mayfield. You understand? So we drive to the Maidstone place there, so, and come to Mayfield. So we're right up on one mountainside, like say, everywhere else is just flat. And we are alone upon one piece of hilltop.
It's like something like what? Sitting on top of the world.
And me if you tell you.
That is it.
So massive, you don't know, Wrol is the owner for the tree house. The genius behind the tree house, you understand? So we just up on the outskirts and we are head towards where the tree house is located. The last time I followed up here, a big skinny dip tree. Every tree a skinny dip now. Yeah. All them trees they have no onion leaf, no clothes. You see me, so it is so beautiful to see the lush vegetation now start farm back again. Wrol, the place look as if no hurricane never did pass through.
Brand new.
Brand new.
It's on a refresh moment. We have some fruits in season. We have fermenter beer at the moment. We have mangoes on tree. We have a beer vibes that go on.
Mighty.
And we are putting the work same way, to make sure that everything up to date even more. Looking all beautiful and love, because they have to take care of nature, because nature take care of you.
True. You look at the place. Look, massive, look on the place. Oh my word. All of my town people, my city people, they're mighty. You want to feel some of that nice, cool, tranquilo. Tranquilo. Breeze. Watch it. Mango just dash out on tree. And all of them things there. Oh my word, man. Place just beautiful. You see in a distance you can see? Look there. A whole of St. Elizabeth and some part of Black River you look on it now. Look. You see the windmill and them things there way across. So? I mean, that to tell you how high we there up right now. You see me I say, I'm a joke thing, man. See I know, well, everything good, my boss?
I tell you, man, right now I'm excited today, so right now. I'm the first time I visit that area. And, you don't know the purpose of me there at the tree house. And we know you're excited just like me.
Yeah.
So make sure you stay tuned and binge watch. And drop in the comment section if you come visit. Yeah.
A mad thing, man. You know what I mean? Thomas, if you know, say, me no cut and me no pause, we just a film right through. So we take a look at each other on journey. You know what I mean? Enough of them road that remind you know one time when you used to live a full rural year away. You know what I mean? I say road rugged. All this is smooth to you when you look a picnic. You way you skip through this road. No shoes.
But here what go on. They have something powerful about the road there, You ever hear about strong back? Will make the man them stand up so you can sleep and rise and find yourself cock up off of the bed.
Yeah.
We have some of that night road now going to make you find some too.
We are not
yeah, man.
Alright, that's enough.
So if the man them feel like them pop down, they need to get into this area. Stay tuned to that.
You hear that? Trouble there. This, when we come forward the hurricane is shell down this. It actually still there, the shell down. You know, so it was an old structure still, but it's still down and thing. But oh my God, me love to see that the place just green up back again and beautiful, just like the first video when we did forward. We never video from so far still, but yo, Wrol, in the meantime, me pick off one of your neighbor Mulberry or Mulberry. Why you go, Wrol?
Mulberry.
Mulberry. So then say the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Alright, from black one. So this is what we are talking about now. So when I see it look like this here, yeah, the black one here, you know, say this well ripe and very juicy. Watch me barely touch it and it a bust up. Mad thing, man. This is awesome. So me now, I say, yo, you know, wash it first. I can't wash this, sir. This is right now. You have to just chug it.
Just like that.
Oh my word. So sweet. Super sweet. So blessings to everybody who start watching the video. If you watch this far, please may I ask you if you like the video. We are walking to the tree house. And we are going to go on an excursion today because it's not just about the tree house, but it's about the life, the livity up in the woods, off grid for Wrol. Because Wrol, they up here now, Wrol now have no electricity on his house and GPS. Right. And he now have no water from water commission. Right. So he harvesting own rainwater, sort out it, filter this, filter that. And when it comes onto the light, you don't know him solar panel them plus him battery them and all them thing there. They lit up their tree house at night time. And to be honest with you, Wrol no need no AC and him no need no fan because we there from last night. And I'm telling you, man, like Noel, we are tremble out the whole of last night.
For sleep, I'm on them like this.
Alright, here we are going.
Cool.
So the thing, this are the strong back. This are for the man them.
A strong back that?
Yeah man, strong back this are.
Yeah, just root out that one that for me car down.
Hold it there, man.
There's a hole it there.
Hold it there. Yeah man, strong back this are. So you just
Let me
got
see
some fun. Yeah man.
So this is strong back. I never know what it look like. You didn't know what it look
And
like.
Different type of strong
This,
back, you know.
this are one of them.
Yeah.
So this is one.
Yeah, the other one, oh, see the other one, yeah? A little burr vibration on it. Them call it the pinda. The pinda? Yeah, man. So this one have the burr on it. Yeah, man, you see that burr there? Yeah, man. Alright, so this one are good for all certain female with certain health condition and stuff like that. Yeah, man, this one are more benefit the female them. Yeah, man, but this one are for the man them. You see it?
This.
Even though this one work for the man them too, you know. But
This one I recommend.
Yeah, man, this one I make them lift.
Bend over and pee.
Listen,
Yeah, man, you know the people there when you have to lean over on the wall.
You see that the one there?
Yeah.
You know, when you check out your thing, you know, you have to go some up and just let you out and just go so.
No man, that's all like a bush. A bush you have to go to that.
Yeah, push.
Yeah, a bush you have to there with that one, man. Just go so sprawl out.
Yeah, man.
Oh my word. We're going to see a comment section lit up you know.
Yeah, man.
So all of my general them know say, you now wake up and you now fire, you understand?
Yeah, man,
and some of this.
Yeah, man.
You see me I say?
Guarantee. Listen,
Yeah.
if it don't work, you blame me.
Blame you.
Yeah, man.
Jesus
Call me
Christ.
guarantee. I tell because it work for me. You see it?
I'm mad sitting man.
Man.
Right, so all the farm then. Oh, we're in the farm then.
So
right
the farm there, Uncle Joe, one man where we live on the corner there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So I just fear him at the right there now.
It's a case we can walk through down there a little bit and like go through on your side.
I don't think he mind, you know.
You don't think he mind?
Yeah, man, I don't think he
Cause me no mind either, you know.
He's a Steve, he's a hill, but yeah, man, if you feel like, oh, as a matter of fact, one thing, one youngster over there work right now.
Make
so
we see if we can just we can.
So we touch road, I'll go through one. Where do you want?
Yeah, that means we can go through here, so.
Alright.
The last time I walked that road, man.
Yeah, man, I can
So
touch
I could show them a different eye shines, you know.
All good.
You know, Wrol, me love the bush, you know, I tell you the truth, you know. It's a little breeze here, where you get off a tree, them and thing.
That is it.
Brother, let me tell you this, no, man.
Right.
See our road right here, so could I go through?
No, that's the water.
I just want little bag wire fence you can jump over, man.
No, I can't come from down there so better than that.
Wrol, man, I can't climb fence, you know.
No, we don't matter with them sitting in the bush, you know. Yeah, man, we just walk the proper road, you see it? No matter
Yes,
with the
sir.
fence.
So massive, as I said, we are actually in Mayfield, where the tree house is located. We're going to reach the tree house shortly. But I must tell you, Wrol has been doing some renovations.
No.
Say it again.
Re-innovation.
Jesus Christ. So, let me do it again. So massive, Wrol has been doing some re-innovations.
That is it.
So, based on the hurricane that passed through, he saw some faults that he wants to rectify.
That is it.
So even though the tree was strong and go through the beast of a hurricane as Wrol call it.
Yes.
You understand? And him tree house standing perfectly strong. Him say, listen to me now, some drippings come in when me never too like them two drippings there.
Because here why? I want to make sure that just in case you come and I enjoy the full enjoyment, you don't have no drippings at all to deal with. So me will deal with it from before you forward. That's it.
Yeah, man. So massive. Remember, you know, you can link Ralph here, stay in at the tree house, you know, because me I go actually have my video where me I go post on the other channel, which is the walk by, the stay, and the experience of being in the tree house for 48 hours. So 48 hours on the property of the tree house where we cook, we eat food, we sleep through the night, and the whole experience with me and yo Noel just crazy massive. I can't even tell you about it, but you definitely have to watch the video there. It's gonna be like something titled around 48 hours off grid in a tree house, something like that. But you can go on the walk by, which is my new channel, and see that video. You see me? I say, so by the time you see this, it probably out already or maybe not. So make you see how that part they go. Right? Blow wow. When you say it's steep, man, it ain't look like that from over there, Wrol. Yeah, you shouldn't use like 3 steep. You use only 1. Yeah.
Sorry,
when I say I want steep hill.
Hold on. Let me extraggerate at that. Yo, the hill steep.
Massive, you know, only Jamaicans do that. So me tell us that the thing sour, meaning just normal sour. Yeah. But me say, yo, it's sour, you know. Yeah. Or me say it's sour, bad, you know. You have to know, say, I want different level of sourness. Yeah. So Wrol only say, I want steep piece of hill. So I say, okay then, you know, steep. Yeah, right. But when me reach and I realize say, it's steep.
That is it, well steep.
Jaja, so what kind of yam them now, Wrol?
Black with yellow yam. Yellow yam. Yeah, man.
Yellow.
And this is Uncle Joe's yam farm. Yeah, man.
Uncle Joe, big up Uncle Joe, you know.
Same way, say.
Boy,
same way.
Weeding out and all them things there.
All of that.
I figure one whole heap of work.
Props, right?
Jaja.
Go and help him weed out
like we are go through, eh? But I see some things look like corn them too.
Yeah.
Plant a little bit of corn too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
man. So,
you see why in Jamaica we not feel hungry? Because once you have a little piece of land, you know, if you can grow sitting, you have to grow sitting.
That is it.
And that, me I go tell you to you know, we need to get some. Remember you give me all the bird pepper and all them things there. We have bird pepper, me had a stone dog now, you know.
Very good.
Yes, man. So since we're there now, we are gonna need some other things we can get to carry home and catch. And the strawberry still a galang.
That is it, you.
Yeah, man. Man. So we have a yellow yam. So this is what the yellow yam look like. See there? Nice and thing. Yeah, man. Black whisk yellow yam. Why they call it black whisk? Oh.
Look, if you notice the whisk black.
Oh, down at the root part black.
No, it's not just down at the root, but more side going up.
The vine.
Yeah, the vine there, so and that is the whisk, and I eat black.
Mm.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Whoa.
That is it. So here we are going. This is the road that we are chat through now.
Yeah.
We send we go back up in our house over 300 years old.
One house over 300 years old.
That is it.
But that's not normal, man.
That
Still kind of standing, which way? So we are going to go now. Standing or standing?
Standing. Yeah, man. Fully standing, that's it.
Oh no. So we have yellow yama. Grab me.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
The altar.
No way that's where I'm going.
Yeah. So this yard, this house here, as a matter of fact, the whole of this, it used to be a property for the great back in the days. I mean, all of this way here, so this was just one house where captured the whole of this piece of property here, so from bush fire that gone all the way around. So it's one of the great houses of Mayfield. Mayfield is a powerful community in that kind of sense.
Yeah, I remember Mayfield and Maidstone have a museum out there where show a lot of artifacts from the slave time.
Alright.
Yeah,
and
man.
Then you have one slavery place up on the top there so where them used to work. That are behind in them hills up there so. Plus near all hospital and something then that build up on all them kind of vibration there. Yeah. Alright, so what's the foundation of this house here? So this is dirt. You can't find them house here are built like that anymore. So the steel here, them wood here. Right now if you carry one of them what them call it nowadays nail and try to put in this as rotten as it look like it maybe.
That bend up.
It's bent up, it can't go through this, so you see it. So this is a dirt house. I mean, see it there? The foundation.
So if it's so strong, Wrol, why did we stop using these techniques and not modernize on it?
No, that is it. That is our problem. You know, we feel like we get modern, you know, and that is what true we are off track. You know what I say?
Because if this house can stand up for 300 years, this is a technique that we really should have
Alright, watch this.
made perfected or something.
But watch this now. If you make the house them like this or anything at all, if a lot of company today is in bankruptcy or gone bankruptcy because of making the product too good. Right.
Jesus Christ, I have to pause to that.
Alright.
So why them going to bankruptcy then? Should I actually make...
No, they can't make the money because their product that they have made, it's stand too long. So the people don't need to buy it more than once. Once you have it, you just have it and you know say boy you're good and gone. You know, but if they make it inferior.
Yeah, but different people now ban. Oh, I go one.
Yeah, no, but that them not see it that way.
That me want to see
as a matter
because
of fact,
even
no,
though this there, people now occupy it none at all.
Different people are born where you are going. It passed from generation to generation.
Yeah, but remember, you know, all if you have three, one somebody have three picnic, me guarantee say three picnic now go have the one house. And one of them always end up with it. And the other one gone.
That's true, but anyway, come.
But you have all a basement.
Yeah, man, but you are going. Come here, come over there.
Ja.
Inside of the house.
I'll be a wash machine, you know.
Which I say them?
It's a whole heap of wash.
Wash. Listen, here I'll say wash the mama in them business. Come on, Noel, man. Stop scaring me now, man.
Yeah, man. So, see inside of the house, yeah? Yeah, man. I should watch them there. So watch this now.
Wrol,
Yes, sir.
a 3 million what's me I look for?
Only 3 million, you see? Look for the next 10 million over there, sir.
Yeah, brother.
That's a bit of a fly there.
But bro, around 3 million man.
So,
Wrol go was. Any wrong move in a rush?
yeah, you can't make no wrong move inside of this place. So you have to just keep it clean and firm. You see? Yeah, you see all your arm them look shine and thing. They don't like to drop on that.
Brother, I've never seen a wasp sting somebody on their shoulder yet.
It's a mere
I be a face and bed back. Cause I got somebody they train for over the years. Because no and them their waist shot. Yeah, lip. You see me neck. You understand head top. How 3 million was in there now yard?
Wait, where are you?
Oh, Wrol. No sudden movements, you know.
So, you don't want to phone up the video, you don't want to see what we are running out.
No, man, we don't want to fund them, man, because we trying to fund them because we have got up. My face bent up. I know you're a pretty boy, Noel, you are work with that. Noel, because you are Noel. Yo, Wrol, Noel.
Listen, if you get some fun on the video, man, we can share a couple of them was this.
So they always tell me, say, any house, so you say, was full up like this, you know.
Yeah, money.
No, it bring contention.
We don't
like
know,
trouble and sitting like people always probably argue over it or
we
sitting.
don't know.
Yeah, so without further ado, let's come out of the what's the next for a what's called? That me no remember, yeah. Like how bees have hive. Godfather. And this is a gentleman.
Oh no. This is one of the gentlemen who help to prepare the location, you know, to make sure.
Godfather, say just a pass this man. You know what, give you a 2 reasons. I know what share knowledge to your whole boy them like me. Eh? You know long me no see one who. Big up our respect enough for you. You know long me no see one who. Big man thing, when I take you now on my side and see who. No. See there?
Yeah, man.
I saw office Haitian decade old hang lion type of vibe this side of the world. Watch out, man.
Well solid.
I want to make you.
The beat that is stone and make it.
I want to make you and that one I go put on in my museum. Put one nail through it or something and put one glass case in it and put it on the wall. You right?
I probably can't.
Watch it, man.
I don't think it's have any use for these days thing.
Cha. So yes, massive, we're moving along. And think, so Wrol, see some fresh dig spot here and thing. Where do them dig? Dig or plant him a plant?
And then you have over here, so you have the great Dada, which is responsible for Dada. You know what come for the camera?
When in Dada, what Dada?
Dada. The great Dada, man. That's why Jamaica walk by. Go and go pick up Dada over there. So we're going to piece of cane, you know.
You free?
Yes, man.
Yeah, hold on. Me move, cause brother, me can't bother with Wrol and the wrong move with the wasp them, you know, brother. He don't know whole of them house that, man. No, well. Let me tell you something. You see, anytime I go up on a farm, me just get instant tired. Like every time I see one farm, especially when it's clean and pretty like this, all me see is work. You know, see work, you know.
Work.
I work, you see, brother. You can imagine if you have to wake up all at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, as the sun start peak, for you get like a light. You have to start work before the sun start bubble down. So G, look how early it be in the morning already. I look like my boy live about 20 years already. You think I joke? This is not boy work, brother. This is work, man. And then guess what? I look on this here, and I nah see no weed out and them thing. The number one, not even my guard, me can't bother for weed out more while to blow. But see me I take hose and soak out the whole garden. My boss to try draw out the weed them. Big up and respect my teacher.
Yes, man, cool.
Yeah, man. Love every time. Are you lucky ends?
Yeah.
What you mean? Jaja. Yeah, man, Mr. YouTuber Jamaica walk by and thing. I made this video the tree house and sit with Wrol. Making people them know him, you understand? So we just there do one next episode, you see me? Yeah. But earlier they on it from morning.
Yeah, before 6 o'clock, man.
Before 6? Oh, we are programming now, the yaad?
No, man, that's the hill. Plant the yaad.
Oh, so explain to me how you do this.
Alright, me for sure.
Yeah, I want to see that part here. Now, come catch this song. I want him show you how I prepare one of the hill for the yaad. Yeah, because me not going to tell no lie. Me used to see my grandfather do things, but we never learn it.
Another way, but now I do it this way. It's a year away. Yeah, so I clear that. But I dig and more at the same time.
I see. Yeah. And that are the yam hill.
Yeah.
Oh. Young soft one. Yeah.
So I clear that.
Soft one, nice.
Right now, I see him take 3 of that and I'm tired. Because right now, why am I make it look so easy? I experience him I use right now, Pawi. Me and you do this now, we have to wonder to ourselves, to God.
Some people do some work. You say, yeah man, that's easy man, you can't do that.
Yeah man, until you start. Can watch there. You call her one the rocky body, you know, bro. And now, well, even though you see him do that, you know, say place have to weed out and clean up and sitting first.
Right, I mean, so you have to do all that in preparation.
Yeah. So it's a yam hill. You see how much should be in the ground? If you just reach right there, so?
Yeah, done it.
And this is just one.
Alright.
Watch it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a try there. Give me a try there. Give me a one try.
No, well. You see how much dig man dig just to do one? And if you look round, because you know what I'm going to do. A left hand you use all along?
Yeah, left hand.
Lord Jesus. I'm a mad thing. Watch out, look going free. Watch again. Watch your foot in there. Watch out.
Oh man, yo. Look with a dirt heavy, you know.
The man I use the fork and juke the butt.
One June fly.
June bug. It's not earthworm. It's
Oh,
a
I
June
want to
bug.
can eat, man.
It's a June bug.
Try it now, Noel.
Them live in the ground
Yeah.
until them time,
Yeah. Yeah.
So once I dig them up, I probably eat that team. Them feet on the root of the plant them. Alright, one more time. Watch some more of them there. In Indonesia, them dig them up and eat them for real.
Yes,
And
man.
fry them and eat them.
Yeah, man. Oh, gosh. That's Noel. Boss already.
Yeah. I should have eaten them for the morning. Yeah, man. Yeah, I am.
Noel, you're not going to manage.
I powers them, you know. I don't want to show them my powers.
Yo, look how easy. So, this you know, this is like one now.
Yeah.
So, which part you plant the yamed itself now? Oh,
On the top of it.
on the top of this?
Yeah.
So, on the top of the soft dirt?
Yeah, I sink the yam, you sink the dirt and put the yam head underneath it.
Okay.
Like
Oh.
I just come up in the dirt and push down the yam head.
Okay.
Cause you want it to grow down with somewhere soft and mushy. Yo, I would have never guessed that. Cause me think in the Wrol, I think it was inside of the hole. The yamed that go.
You see for the red dirt,
Yeah.
I never clear.
Yeah.
More look back there. More look back here so.
Yeah.
Here so. I'm plant it, but I just start clear there.
Oh.
First, let me see how you
Yo, respect man and thanks for the experience, bro. Art I love.
some donkey teeth in this.
Yeah man, I saw me eat cane too.
So I can't do that. Hold on there. Oh, me I try that
Practice,
and it now
practice,
do.
practice.
Oh, me do. Just bite yourself.
You can't bite that. You have to peel it first.
He bumped that.
You have to peel off the bump.
Peel off the bump.
Watch this trick. So you have to do it a side way. Like that. You use the canine.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't. Yeah. What's that? You go too
You
far
don't peel
down.
his skin off either too.
Go
Oh.
Lift off his skin off right now.
Higher.
Uh-huh.
Use the canine. There you go.
Watch
Yeah.
it now.
Ah.
Alright.
So the canine is for ripping.
Lord Jesus. Yo,
So watch this now. Teach us about teeth.
Yeah.
The canine, a little sharp one there from the corner.
Yeah, to make for cutting
For
and
rip,
slicing.
for ripping, no, for ripping.
Ripping?
Yeah man, for bore down in a things were hard.
yeah.
You must say use the canine and
But me not see how you use them teeth if it's musty and then teeth they don't mash up.
Me not see the canine for you.
you wanna see that?
Wait there.
No, no.
You don't have no. Yeah, canine them grind down.
But brother, I have to say, respect to you boy,
Yeah,
cause
man.
me not lie. For this our next one where you just do right you know and massive a level of work where man have to put in to reach this level because watch ya, you see how much other hole and thing the right across where him have to do and thing and then now this is just the preparation part and then him have to go get the yamed and fi plant every single one of them here one by one and look for how big. Eh? Look for how much on the land space, look for how much him end up have to do. And then him have to go plant back a yamed. So one them with the stick or the one that we plant already?
No, man. Number. Count down. About 100 we dig them in.
Oh.
About 100. So what? Keep the 100, you know.
Oh, so when you do 100, you just stick them one there.
Just stick them out.
Ah. Jaja. That is it. That is it, my brother. Boy, nobody know fi bad mind you know, my friend. Anything you have in your life, nobody know fi bad mind you know, cause boy, me not sure if I might feel this. Me can't manage, no well, me can't manage a feeler. From me young till now, me no feel like the farming feel on my one. Cause right now, me have a little petty farm on my yard and me can't even get to take care right good. When me look and see all weed in night and all them things, me scratch all me head 10 times before me start. And me have to go get all the hose and water to make it soft
Right.
before me go in there go try weed. You Wrol?
Right, man.
Oh my word.
It's a thing we have to do, set the mind to it, you know, and just do what you have to do. Because watch you know, it's more important to have the food than for later on you not have no food.
No food.
You just put in the food and make it go and grow. Because the young lad do it one time, you know.
I
Yeah,
really
man.
thought,
Once you do it one time, you're good to go. You can
Alright,
eat food
me like
later
how
on.
you carry cane for me.
Yeah, man, you know.
Yeah, man. So massive. Make we see now, so. We are, Yeah, man. Where's the Dada? Big up and respect, Dada. You see me?
Outside over here.
Oh yeah.
What size in where?
15.
Alright,
15.
Me want you to put up that specially. So for anybody who knows say yo, them can find size 15 boot, send it for Dada right there. So any amount of them.
Water boot too, especially.
Because here we are going. Team shoes don't normally come so regular. So Dada, tell him everything. I true or false?
Yeah, man,
Size 15. So Dada wear size 15 and it look like wide width too. Wide width. So Dada wants some farming gear. So see if anybody I watch and now me I gonna make sure me I put a list together.
Farming gear because a man go to see him here.
No man, me I talk about the farming aspect of it. So the farming aspect of it to ease off them burden yeah. Anything else wanna have one can make film work even easier if I have other tools and thing. Yeah, make we see if we can sort it out. Even some, cause see right now I slippers him I use do all of this. I wish him they have all one water boot that can fit film size. You see me? Probably some different type of clothes too and him probably need one of the sun hat.
A big bucket.
One of the big bucket at them. Forget anybody care my one me left it with him right now. Me not have my one. So me definitely I gonna make him get one of them at there. You see me? Alright, me I make a list cause anytime I forward me I make sure say me I see some of my things them when me can try and get to know well. And anybody else out there we can lend any hand. Dada, you have a phone number? Yeah, me give out your phone number cause I hit them have to go use, you know. I want your phone number. So anybody we can render any form of farming support to Dada to make him work a bit easier. Yeah. Any tool where you probably have in your yard that you don't want to use them or you not use them or you upgrade them and you can bust him. Yeah.
573.
876?
Yeah, 876.
So 876 573
Yeah, 6756.
6756.
Yeah,
So 573
yeah. 6756.
6756. Dada.
Dada.
You understand? So I'm going to put the number up on the screen and it'll go in a description to so they can just give him a call and see how they can help to make sure say him farming life easier. Because this is no boy work.
Yeah.
Big up and respect again
Sorry,
the teacher.
but you can't have a sudden eat up, so.
Yeah man, they wicked after a time man. That we get you dehydrated. Sir Wrol, come in make we go over
So the man there for the farm, Uncle Joe there.
Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe, everything good? Heart of love, man.
Yeah, nice.
You see how them places are set up now, well? Yeah. All of them have to clean way. And then dig up and sort out.
Yeah.
Come in, Wrol.
Oh, that way there.
Oh. So we are go by the tree house property. Massive. It's Wrol been a do some serious work when it comes on to the tree house property. So big up yourself, Godfather. Take it easy. Heart of love. So Wrol been a going good, you know. So Wrol, what tell me about some of the new things them where people them are gonna expect when they reach over property.
So that you know, there's an aquarium first coming, and there's an extension on the balconies.
Baltole.
Right. So aquarium, balcony, and you can also get a walk over a new piece of property where me clean up, do some proper farming and stuff like that. It's not so new because right now I have ready car and they can get and boil and thing and will a good vibration, is it? So yeah man. That is it I go on, you know, and on the same property there. I have a whole heap of work when I have to go on for it. So right now, if you have a truck or a good little van we want to give it, I take care of you. Yeah man, cause
yeah. Really?
If you could have moved more things much easier, it will reach further.
Yeah man.
With it.
Or if you have a cable, you know them strong cable you can use to make a zip line. Yeah man, or you can use to carry things from one point to the next point. Yeah man, but I love a piece of that cable. How long you want to be.
Yeah, hear that
as long
massive.
as you take it same way.
So all the man them a Mystic Mountain where Only if you not have none of them cable, they put on or not use.
Alright, Uncle Joe. Okay, alright.
That is it, Godfather.
Yeah, man. Alright, so we'll see in a little bit.
So see there.
Oh, so the guys will be here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Right, 1 o'clock I come back.
Yeah, we'll be here, man, all day, all night.
Crazy mulberry. Crazy mulberry, Wrol have.
Mulberry.
Mul. I can't remember that, brother.
Mulberry.
See them mulberry for days and it's sweet, you know, man. Look there.
Yeah, man. Right, true.
Watch it. One line of mulberry going all the way down. Wrol have ya. Oh my word, the treehouse property. Oh my word, man.
Alright, so watch it now. So this is the aquarium with some test fish. So when I say test fish, these are my regular tilapias that I have inside of the aquarium here. So, however, the reason why the water is down like this and I use a test fish in it, there's a little leak somewhere along the way, which I need to empty out back this, fill out that leak, and make sure say it's sorted out properly, and then I can put on the cover. So the gutter come from over there. So this will at least 300 gallons of water.
A whole heap of water that in this,
Yeah, man.
brother.
And you know, so this is a bossy aquarium right so for the entry. You know what I say? So later on when it's sorted out and thing, you're going to see the good vibes, right? So you can walk around on the side and see the test fish them.
Them gone.
Hide from it.
So them man, you know what I'll find them after them hot spot that.
Okay.
You know? Yeah man.
Oh, we
So
know,
them
man. Go
bossy.
to closer to them.
No man, they not run man. You can go as close as possible. They not run from them. They just love that spot there.
Okay, that's the coolest part.
Yeah man, them just love the vibration there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright.
They really not run. Me think that we them that run from nowhere.
No, they just love that spot there, you know?
What's up, see there? Man. How massive? The treehouse. This is a Wrol still under construction, you know.
Oh, you never see the wall when you come in last time?
No, man, a whole heap of things change up, man.
Change up one and thing.
See what I go and look at a place look all wide and thing.
Right.
See a sort out all around the pool side, which are the fish them there.
That is it.
Nice.
Brother, oh my word. I want another drum here.
So this drum here right here, so I have
I don't
some
know.
organic fertilizer.
Yo, me love hawks and just,
no.
boy, every minute.
Which stairs am I need to stand? I know when they put
We say organic fertilizer. Woo!
Yeah.
Woo! Oh,
And
shoot.
then when I say organic fertilizer, I don't know how is it that it is possible that plants, just plant could actually smell like this. It smells like a pig pen, people. But you walk one. It's good fertilizer. So what I do is you smell like a pig pen.
Like literally smell like a
Pig
pig
pen, yeah man. So what? So the only thing I did not put any doo into it.
Yeah.
Yeah. The only thing I did was to get the green trash
Yeah.
and put them in something more water and just keep on adding to it. And then use that water now, dilute the water. You don't use it directly. You dilute the water to a lower portion.
Smell sweet. Yeah, man. Oi.
And use that water your plants. And then your plants them get fluffy and juicy. That's organic fertilizer. Yeah man, works very
Massive. Oh, I want.
man.
If you ever know how this smells sweet. Like sweet. You can't use one sweet.
good. Sweet.
Yeah, it smell. Hey.
Yeah.
Too sweet,
Now when they come up, man.
So, no. And these are not, these things that you see here, they are not maggots.
I was just about to ask if I'm
they are not.
maggot.
So what you're looking at here, these are the male papa blossom. So I put a blossom tree in it, a male papa in it while it was blossoming, and the blossom then float up to the top.
Oh.
But if you leave it open, flies will definitely go inside of it and create worms. Yeah man. Yeah, and me not really want that to deal with.
Now what heap of proteins you do fertilizer?
right now. I'm zooming on that.
One insect drop in it. Yeah man, one insect go in it man. You say I walk him I walk. Yeah man.
Wait, so watch out.
Yeah,
That's
man,
some.
Mr. Stan.
You can hold him.
Yeah, you have to barely touch him. I go in slow.
Come in.
I make me touch him this
Cook.
Yeah Alright, so.
I'm afraid I am.
No, we don't do cuckoo roll.
Where you do?
Stan,
Stand.
come here, Stan.
Come stand.
Cuckoo is the old time days fowl. Yeah, man. We don't do
So
that.
these four now have names.
Yeah, these fowl have names. So that is Stan, this is foot.
Foot.
And, yeah, man.
Foot, come.
And that are grey pants behind it, sir.
Foot.
The grey pants look road. Grey pants. You see what?
Them actually look when time you call them in a grey pants.
Yeah, man.
Come. So,
I say Russian over there, sir.
Russian?
A white one there, yeah, man. White one there, Russian. Russian eyes, look at that.
Jaja. A long time me no see two cock par.
Alright, watch this now. Hold on. You want to see how my fowl them live?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so this is Stan. Watch him I go do one time I give him some food. He might call the rest of people him. Him now go eat first. Watch what I go on. Come on this Stan. Watch the play. Oh, Stan.
Watch out, wait.
Here. Listen that? You hear that?
Yeah.
Call him. And everybody go eat together and the whole of them are rooster right now. The
Yeah.
end them gonna make egg right now. Egg and babies, that's it.
Yeah.
So I just suffer me things set up around here. So we just live in a unity. As much as here we are.
I want to touch one of them.
Oh, you can't touch that.
Come here, Stan. Sister now. Hold on, Stan. Stan, hold on.
Stand, hold on, stand. Come and stand.
Yeah, hold stand. Yeah, that's wall stand. Yeah. One wall stand. Yeah, man, stand.
Come on, stand. Stand a general.
Yeah.
No. Another team like rub your finger right so. Rub your finger between us. So.
Is that this stand like?
Yeah, I hear that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, they my best friend now.
Yeah, Stan.
Yeah,
Big up
man.
yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, me always love them for no joke, no doubt.
Yeah, man. Once you treat Stan like this, you're my best friend.
And then see have him spore.
Yeah, man.
Him spore there.
That is it.
Man.
Got it name?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm
Alright,
defend,
Stan.
you
Big up yourself. You see me I say?
know? That is it.
Manners.
Alright, Stanley boy. What's up the business?
Oh my word. Someone said we just a walk through and we just a tour the nice energy of Wrol, tranquilo spot. I'm telling you, man. So last time I was here there was no where they call that to the on the water now.
Lily.
Lily.
Yeah, man. the
Water lily.
Yeah, man. The lily did was a small amount. But then, you know, that small amount just expanded into a great amount. You know, so
Ja.
it is what it is now. It's like you can walk on the water.
So,
Not true.
Wrol, you start from scratch to finish?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
man. Everything about it, man.
By yourself?
Yes, sir. Well, me get one brother one day. And
Yeah.
come help me flash in. Yeah, we can use left hand same. Have a little more power to come flash in thing. Yeah,
Okay,
so.
what it go on?
So you that go on good with Noel then?
Yes. Yes.
You they have some sitting the pepper they rub on the side. You realize
Red
say?
pepper, yeah, man.
Oh, see I just 1 tree leave. So yo,
At the time when you come,
it was before the hurricane when time
you not talk about
it
that. At the
beast.
time when you come, you never have no pineapple, not true?
No.
Well, you go pick one pineapple for yourself, right?
I love what you do with that area now. That area now having the land grass so I can just sit down and tranquilo.
Whole a vibe,
Oh
right?
my word.
That is it.
Yeah, so you can actually
What you say
tranquilo
now, eh?
yourself.
Huh?
Cool.
Look what it do to the people in land.
Yeah man. Yeah man. When we did there the last time, all I years I did that dirt. So
Yeah, man. Over
I'm glad this is them place set up a
That's
way
where
you
you come
know.
all the way, man. What you don't easy say now.
Oh my word.
Yeah, mindful. So,
I say, come on.
Yeah. Massive. More time we have to enjoy times like this. I mean, when me tell them say,
Hold on, no.
Eh.
So enjoy.
full joy.
You enjoy our full joy.
when I hear that, we don't end any joy anymore. We full joy or enjoy.
That is it.
Cheese and peace.
You don't anything. Anything that is good,
You don't end it.
end it. You enjoy or full joy. That is the code.
Well said. Alright, let's move on.
Yeah, man. So you say you want to start out a pineapple?
Man, boy, me just feel full. As in the beauties of life. No man, me no mean say
I know.
we can't get, but me I tell you, say all the bird pepper, so massive.
That is it.
When me a younger youth, me ain't take that's what me a serious now. When me a big man now, me just pick one of this and me just eat it or me just swallow it just like that. So
What is called?
bird pepper. So it hot like Scotch bonnet pepper.
So
Or hotter.
So I bite it now.
No, don't bite it. I don't recommend you biting it. Swallow it. So what it do, it kill out parasite out of your body.
Right.
Yeah.
Promote circulation. So for instance, persons who have lacking of circulation within certain areas of their body, good for them.
So look on this now. So massive, you see?
Promote sweat and
So this is one of me pick right now. So like this now, me that just take that one like pill. You understand? As much as you see it so. The other one now me normally have on my yard, them small, but that one a little bit bigger, but this is like a pill. So you take this up on an empty stomach.
Yeah.
right.
You see me? So like how me no eat from morning and you no eat from morning, it's good for indigestion. But remember you're going to feel it in your stomach, you know, like something is going in.
Yes, yes.
You understand? Yeah man.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
me take it like pill, like same way I do it.
Bad.
I told them
And you
never do
swallow. So when you swallow, remember you know give you that much time to taste it, but you're gonna feel it, taste it going down.
For me now,
So-
me kind of craving.
So you got
me
two.
choose two.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So them there. Yeah, man.
And you just swallow it.
Yeah, man. Love the
So
vibration.
every morning when me wake up, me have one me put right on the back there upon the upstairs part there. And me just pick off one or two of them and me just throw them in my mouth and swallow them.
Yeah.
Kill out the pesticide them and them things out of your body, man. So definitely one tree where me recommend people to have. Me see my grandfather them used to do it. That's why they live so long. We when we get older we realize you know say they sit there with them normally I do make them.
So hold
Them
on.
body survive so
So
long.
hold on, now. Say your grandfather used to do it and they live long, right?
Eh.
So it come back.
Yeah, but
round.
one time him used to give we one time we in our young days. We don't want that.
So this is what we are talking about with mother now. This is where it comes from with the house. So remember the grandfather them building them house will last long.
Yeah.
So them know the right touch to the thing. Yeah man. So
Well
when we
said.
get mother now and start check out some place with them call. Well, we not call their name there because no one nobody come after it. But anyway.
Yeah. See right
we
now.
did the right thing,
Pineapple tree.
Pineapple.
But this look ripe. This look like you're ready for pick.
This is ready for pick.
How you do this now? Cause what if a boy now? We have to use a knife.
No, I don't want if you go in there so make more boar go for your clothes.
Oh.
Yeah man, see them there? Spanish niggas. Spanish niggas.
And I them me not like tea, no, bro. Cause they take so long to come off.
Yeah man, they not run for jump fire. So like how you do right so, you just go some up and just push back them here and just reach over, hold that and just copy off.
Oh yeah, pick it.
Are you gonna do it man?
Yeah.
Make Noel get the honors.
Alright. So see it now well. Push them something out of your way and reach over. Oh you thought like you can just reach over and just I think I'm gonna like them like Spanish nigga.
What's Spanish nigga this?
Yeah,
you know what,
full
you
of
know what,
boy.
You're close touchy. You push them out of your way.
Oh. So now stick it up.
And just pick it. Go all out on the leaf, you know. Pick it now. There you
Alright.
go. That
Harvest. Fresh
is
fruit.
it. That is it.
Fresh pineapple, brother.
Yeah, man. And I see you, so you're going to
Smells
think
sweet.
you're going to pick some ackee for your breakfast when you're ready.
You hear that?
Whatever you
No.
want.
Right now.
Nice one. See you where you're saying go. So you harvest your own food.
Yeah, right. So right now, I would say I full pool this a tilapia.
Yes. That is it.
Alright, Massey, make we see if we can go run at the catch. Because I know last time Wrol did have a catch.
Do me a favor. You can walk. You have a couple of clear spots tonight. Where if you walk on top of it, you may see some of them hang out in some little clear spots. So go and go look at them and reach out and catch.
Yeah, me I hear a whole heap of fish. A deep as them see me. What's
How
that?
deep is this pool? So from 3 feet to 6 feet.
Okay, dog. Whole heap, you know, man.
It's a swimming pool this
Yes,
area.
actually a swimming pool.
Yeah, 6 feet deep.
Oh wait.
See them
Enough
there?
of them that man.
Whole heap. That's some big one.
Yeah. Look all over that side there.
See, Wrol, about how much fish there on this?
2 million.
About that.
A whole heap of fish this man.
See, watch him swim. Watch that. That's about 2 million in there.
Don't pull up in there, man.
Oh my
Good
word.
look, people. As you can see, Wrol in growing food them and eating food them when grow.
Eat him own food them grow.
Them right now fully independent.
Hey, look that man.
Independent.
Wrol, a whole heap of fish in there.
Holy man. Hundreds of fish in there.
Ja, ja. I want this one. I want different batteries, man.
Yeah, them battery, but them not good.
Oh.
Them time expire, so we need a new set of battery now.
Oh.
If anybody have no battery, they want to give her, they can sponsor me from that fine.
Battery.
Love that.
So
Yeah,
where you use the
solar
battery though? Where you use the battery though?
So I used to use them to run the tree house, but them expire now. You know, them have a lifetime. Yeah, man. So them expire right, you know. So me just have them there. So what I use them for now is just like, for instance, I need some outside lighting. Yeah, if I need some outside lighting, they are accurate enough to give me some lighting for a couple of hours. So I'm just connect the solar battery panel and make it just go and do the thing. Solar panel and then go and do them thing, you know? Okay.
So Wrol, see catcher where you showed me last time. And right now, a few fish definitely in there.
Yes. Yes, indeed.
I wonder if I can just reach down and grab one.
And them not gonna allow that.
Wrol, come in, man. I know my country, you know, but me not so country.
Them not gonna allow
You don't
that.
think I can just catch one of them?
No.
I can't just use my hand and catch one.
No, it's not gonna so possible. That not possible. Don't touch it. That's the thing there.
There you go, man. I did it. Come in, man.
You did it to reggae. So we plan to do that one.
Put him back. Put him back. Ah, yeah. Put him. See that? Catch him.
Man. You did it, man. Yeah, proud of you. Alright, can't go let you out.
I'll give him back a free run, can't you?
No, don't throw that. Alright, well, in gone.
Gone. Oh,
so usually we don't just put them down and just slide out the yard.
Okay.
Oh.
That style, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man. Proud of you, though. You did it quick.
Have you believe, man? So massive, see that right in the distance, the moment of truth, the tree house itself. But hold on, I don't want to reach the tree house yet in around.
That is it.
Because I see one thing where you have to explain to me. Make a walk, bro.
We are going that way.
Yeah, because we want to understand that part and massive. Massive, so if you don't stay tuned, do me a beg, you not stay.
No, go back.
Yeah, this is the part where you really have to go stay tuned for get the eye sense of that one, you know.
That is it.
Because when I first saw it, I tell him, listen, I don't want you even bother explain anything. I just want you to wait till when time you give us the tour.
So this is Pond Liner. Much respect to Simone and David. December from Overson. Big up yourself, Simone and David. Much love.
Yeah, somebody donate this there?
Yes.
Wonderful, man.
Yes.
Big up to you, Mr. David and Miss Simone.
Yeah, man.
Heart of love,
December,
man.
yeah. So watch this now. So this is going to be the slide for come over here, so.
Hey!
How are you? Yeah, man. Well, here at Paradise Plus, I'm going to use Pond Liner a different way. We're not going to go the regular route. Different way. So watch this now. So that Pond Liner is going to be created into a tunnel.
Yeah.
And placed behind this door right here, so. We're going to stretch it out as far as it can go. And as neat and round as it can go. And so, when you open this door right here, which I call the tunnel, I mean the portal.
The portal.
Yeah, man, which I call the portal, you're going to be entering into that tunnel, which goes to wherever. Wee!
Where's the wee? Wee!
Hold on. No. That's the wee that's too short. It goes further than that.
Yeah.
Wee!
I'll jump out to our next pool.
Yeah, man.
That's it. We're not going to throw you out for no sun or anything like that. We are sending you out to our next pool.
Yeah.
You see it? So I just fun right through. So you have food, fun, fish, flowers, all of the
Adventure.
FM.
And
Pasta.
stay.
Well, you have all of that, you see it? Yeah. But yeah, man. So that is so later on, you groom them plants so them just grow over it. So you have a little, I mean,
arch.
Yes.
This can be like a picture booth too.
Yes, on the outside, without you open the door.
Yeah.
You know, so that are gone. So when you open this, remember, you're not going to see this a regular piece of land. You're going to slide down in one place.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Man.
And that are going for what.
So one time you say, yo, all people just come and say, listen, I just came here to do the portal.
And, there you go, you can't come with just that alone. You know, I think I should have put David and Simone on it, not true?
Yeah.
Portal.
Portal, yeah.
Yeah, man.
You hear that, Mr. David and Miss
Or it can
Simone?
be the
Yeah,
portal and then underneath it. The portal by David and Simone.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So
Man.
if you have an impact, then we can brand a name on the same way. Me and you do this.
So if we can produce them high quality bench and table,
Alright,
put a name on
alright.
it.
Yeah.
You should donate this. You know,
Yeah, man,
if you
same
have
way.
a Hope Garden yet, it's a different table and bench and even the hot them.
Yeah.
And people donate it to Hope Garden, you know.
Okay.
I
Just
even
put them
never
name on it.
brand it.
I see a name on it.
Mad.
Yeah.
Well, see what
So massive for Wrol, we always say that anything that you have that you might think that you're done with it, Wrol will find use
Yeah, man,
for
same
it.
way, sir.
You understand? Because see the Wrol need battery bank, power supply,
Solar
chairs,
panel.
solar panel, tools. If you have one drill where you not use it or you upgrade the drill and you feel like it all and you don't want to use it no more,
Same
you can
way.
get Wrol a drill there.
We can find a different way.
Yeah, sir. All of that.
Yes.
I've been drawing that one there, man. Sir. Yeah.
That is it.
So see it now. So this is the pipe that we've been using. You see me I say? So this tank full up with rainwater.
So hold on just a second, you know. So don't just talk about sir. Listen, remember me tell you, if you have one choco and give it to our van we can use carry so stone, we take it too. Because here we are going. This what we have right now is 1,000 gallon of water. However, if you are setting like this, I need whole it more water than that. So there's a hole right over there, sir. You did see that hole, right?
Yeah, the one where right on
Yeah,
it.
man. So there's a hole over there, so we need to erect a proper tank where we can store at least 6,000 or more gallon of water with this, you know.
Yeah.
So we can have water to take care of the property and thing and make sure say everything bingo and balance, you know. So you have some people who like to take long showers.
Yeah.
I don't want to short near shower because limited amount of water. You can come in and take a long shower because we have
Long.
abundant water.
At this very point, they're going to be taking long cold shower.
Alright.
Like we. So also if you have even a water heater unit and you want to donate it to, you can donate
See
it
how
towards
you
the
say
tree
that.
house.
See,
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
here we are going. Remember, I talk about money the other day. We had a money. Didn't the writer say this that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So we had a money conversation. People, now but I feel like I'm afraid of money and I use it, you know.
Yeah.
But it's not a thing when me I go kill myself over. You know, say if you have some money, we say, boy, you can find some use for it. So you can give me, man.
Yeah,
Use it
yeah,
and do
massive.
something.
I mean, should I say that in one of my videos? So
Yeah,
persons did all that. Reach out to me and ask if Wrol will take donations and stuff. Yes. So other than equipment, if you want to donate, reason for this video, you know, I mean, I go through the comment section. So majority of stuff that when people talk about me, I try to clear them up too as well. As me, I show them now. So for donation, Wrol, I go have him telephone number in the description below the video. I'm probably drop it on the screen right there, so you can call him.
See you.
Please, I'm telling you now, don't call me.
Yeah, man.
Don't link me about it because I don't want to do the transaction
Yeah.
between Una and
The phone
Wrol. So
fully active.
any donation wanna want to give towards Wrol, if you wanna inspire me, I love what you're doing and all of them something there, please bless up the general. You see me I say, even if you get people, because when we realize Wrol, guests are on their way right now coming to just view the trio. So every time from now and then people just choose to come here, relax a little bit, chill out with him and stuff like that. So make we get the property keep going because trust me, it is definitely a little tranquil vibe for me too. If you just say, I want to come and so can just chill out, back away from the city and just easy back with some cool breeze and nice shelter. I mean, I tell you, so we slept here last night and mighty to the tomb. When me tell you, so me sleep in a man. 12 o'clock we did just done do some other filming and we did up and so just chat. I mean, I tell you, so we feel safe, we feel good. Well, a vibe. So, Cyralia, any donation, Wrol, give me them number right now.
So my telephone number.
Yeah.
So it is 876-8866-110. Me that.
So
Yeah,
the
man.
number go in the description as well, so you can WhatsApp him or you can call him
Yeah, man.
and talk to him.
And if you want to catch me on any social media platform. You can catch me at Treehouse Paradise Plus JA.
Right.
Yeah, man. So that is my YouTube channel or my TikTok page. You know, whichever.
Instagram too as well.
Instagram
Yeah.
also. Yeah, man. So that is it. Facebook, you might probably find me over there like that same way, but that is it. You know. So
It.
it is what it is.
A massive look in the distance. So
Yeah, man.
this is the tree house.
Great tree.
Oh my word.
What's that
So
name again?
Paradise.
Paradise Plus.
Paradise Plus.
Great Tree House Paradise Plus.
Oh, and please to be known right now, guys, I'm doing some re-innovation. Oh, hold on, let me fix that again. I am doing so. No, I can't say I am because you guys are here to assist the truth.
Yes, man.
So we are
Yeah.
doing some re-innovation on the inside right now, so the place check at the moment.
Right.
However, it is here just the same, so you can come forward when the time comes to come forward. Yeah,
man.
me now watch no face. Me dash all I pride out to do it.
Yeah, man. See that, man? The house in a tree are massive. This house been through Hurricane Melissa. And it hit down them place, yeah, the hardest. So Black River, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, all of them places are mash up. And guess what? This up on the hill. You see what something now, Will?
You know where that tree house I remind me of? Where the cartoon name again? And them living in one tree house.
Well, I which cartoon that again?
And them are some hero. And them living in one tree house. And them count them by numbers. And you can have 1 to 5. When I for me know in the comment section.
Yeah. But me have the idea we are talking about, bro.
And them have the different numbers them. At the hero them.
And then living in one tree house.
Yeah. I have different sections in the tree house. You have one part of the tree house have beer rocket that shoot out in the air. Over here side them have board. Over here side more modern. Next
Mad.
side. Yeah.
I say, Wrol.
We don't think we know that one there.
Yo. Come on, we're going to take a look inside of the tree house.
Let me get the
And-
flavor in my mouth first. I need it.
Me not try that when I empty stomach.
Flavor.
Brother, this is to me, massive. If you're not going to try that cherry, try it with a very big open mind. Because it's bitter and sweet at the same time.
So this is the Suriname cherry. Oh, well, this is the one there. Yeah, man. This
Yeah,
is-
yeah, Wrol, I say him not like one of them.
No, the one that kind of look away. You know?
What is the animal see?
Yeah, man. You saw them pretty?
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Them cherry are pretty.
Yeah, man. You can taste one, man. Try one.
Let's see what going on.
Me no want to taste none for now.
Which one must choose?
Choose any of them two over there. So. Yeah, man. Come on, sir.
No, man, no good.
Why you don't want it?
No, me can't
No,
try.
but
Me can't try that one for the hungry belly right now.
That's fine.
And number one, last night me done them too much, cause it's very addictive.
How are this? At first, me I taste something like this. Suriname? Where is Suriname? Where you get this from?
I don't remember.
No man, people.
Yeah.
That cherry are different. I don't know how to explain
It
it.
have a good flavor though. The flavor is good.
It's an
Apart from-
acquired taste.
Yeah.
Apart from the tanginess, I mean, a lime cousin.
No, well, last night when we put in the
Lime
first
puzzle.
one, you know what? Me I said, nah, man.
Me I finish it though.
And a one seed it have. One seed in the middle. Where they see seed? Wait, they see that? One seed. We look like when
But the good thing about it though, you know.
cereal start pick more. You have a look at addictive things.
you
You know, you know.
see, after you have the first one, the
Then they start taste
Yeah, man,
sweet.
they just start.
Hold on, me don't want to taste some.
Yeah, man, come on, go for it. You're going to recognize that the flavor is more acquired. You know what I'm saying? You can work with it. The good flavor there.
Might as well.
Trust me, if it did really that bad, no, well, now go again.
I want to sweet now.
At this style, man, until you get used to it.
See that one seed, that seed that look like where name well,
Rose apple?
no
Pigs.
man.
Oh.
The
Look like a fat tick.
merengue.
Oh, yeah.
Merengue. You have a look at merengue vibe to it.
This look like a fat ticks in your hand.
It's a different color, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So massive, yo.
Oh, so you were asking what's new one at a time, yeah?
Yeah.
Here we are going. So remember once when you came here the last time, my greenhouse did flat on the ground.
Gone.
Yeah, man. However, me minimize the size, right? and using it for a different purpose at the moment. So I'm using this right now for a nursery.
Alright,
So-
look see what I go on.
Yeah, oh, and then we have a new fall come, so we can show you what I go on around this.
Man.
Oh, and then we have a new bird nest, so we can also show you what I go on this.
Bird nest.
Yeah, man. So me have a
Oh,
girlfriend in here, so I go on all of it.
chicken.
Yeah, man.
Chicken. And
Yeah,
chicken are lay right
So
now.
she a go on. Can I show I go on, mama? You know how she want me?
Oh, she has said.
Whoa. Alright.
Oh, she has said.
Well, I don't know if she has set her shell, you know, but she have a
hold it for egg, that man.
attitude.
Yeah, man, Wrol, she come. Yeah, she did the lie down. I will come in with camera.
Yeah, man. So what going on here, so?
This is a greenhouse itself.
Yeah, man. A little nursery kind of vibration. You know, we have some plants right now. We want to carry go up on the farm area.
Yeah.
The plant out.
I'm glad me see some of them now. We can carry back a yard
Yes,
now.
sir. Yes, sir.
Then when we're ready up now, see
Yes,
tomatoes
sir.
there,
Yes.
see pepper there,
Yes.
all of them things that look like lime.
No, this is an orange. This is a citrus. Well,
Orange.
it look like lime, but it's actually a citrus. Lime leaves are usually smaller.
Oh,
Well, not when they're young like this. But anyway, yeah, man. So
nice,
that's
nice,
what the
right?
thing said. And there were more, but we carry out the plant already since the day started.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
see, mad thing, man. How are them over there, sir?
So, alright, so them are some mint. We have some other stuff set in those, but them no puppets. So I'm not even sure what them are them. But we have some other
Mad,
stuff set inside there. You know?
nice.
Yeah, man. We have strawberry, we have
So I just your fertilizer water where you have out there, so it you use.
No, I don't use it on these just yet. So usually I use the fertilizer water on plants that are already growing.
Yeah.
You know, we already have proper rooting.
So we use this just regular,
Just regular water.
rainwater.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Straight rainwater.
Like you have that water boy.
Yeah, it's together. Yeah, man. So that is it. Alright, so go next now.
Look on the tree house, man. Jeez, and peace, man. We're so going there, man. We're not going to see what I go on. Stay tuned. We'll go there, because you know, right on the end that I go there.
Yeah, man. So we have a new cub right here, so with a 1 foot. So the reason for the 1 foot is just so that no mangoes no climb and go into them.
The mangoes no still can climb, Israel?
So here we are going. If they climb first, then go have a hard time.
Oh, if we go, oh, if we swing go across.
Yeah, man. Them now can't walk. So.
You're smart,
Unless
you know.
them a lizard. You know?
Very smart,
Yeah,
man.
man. So we have a family of fowls going on here.
Yeah. Come here, look after our chicks.
That is it. Same way so it go.
Nice.
All the vibes.
And all common for them.
All common fowl, all clean and good and natural. All
Yeah,
reproducible.
man.
Yeah, man. Naturally reproducible.
So we say
yeah?
for your breakfast and also some common fowl, egg and them thing there.
Same way. We can do that.
Figure
Just
that.
like that.
So massive,
Yeah,
look
man.
at the place. Say, we set up a tree, we cheer them and thing and beautiful and green. We just there hang out the whole of last night because we came in the night and things. So look on the place. Super nice. On the tree house, right on the tree top. So make we take a look, make we see the
Innovation moment.
cheese and peace there you have it.
You remember the banana there?
Oh,
Look how the banana the big and long and strong.
fat and nice.
Some wisdom. You know,
I
so the
mean.
banana go through Melissa too.
Banana tree?
Yeah, man, the banana tree they go through Melissa. That's why it look like that now.
Man.
Melissa take down everything. Every...
Melissa no play, man. All of them here play skinny dip in time Melissa pass through, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, make you see. So right here, so we dish up last night,
Yes.
burn up some food, so we eat some tilapias with baked sweet potato
And baked
and
dumplings.
baked dumplings.
I think we have some left over. That's why.
Yeah, man.
And I think we have some left. Some of that food there. On the old. Oh, there's this left. Yeah, man.
So
With some homemade.
fried fish and roast fish with baked sweet potato
Yeah.
and baked
Yeah, dip.
and baked see baked sweet potato and thing.
Well, baked dumpling, right?
Baked dumpling.
No oil.
No oil.
Just
No,
bacon.
aye. Straight off good.
And
Yeah.
Melissa.
Up in our tree house. I want to know,
Huh?
Have one?
Oh, yeah, man. One on. People. Also, no, you don't have to take off your shoes.
Yeah.
The place is under serious construction, so just go on up in it. Be a dirt.
Alright. So respect them there.
Be a dirt.
And people, the place feels sturdy. Nothing feel like it just shit.
Nope.
Everything's sturdy. Look at this.
Mm.
All natural tree house.
We sleep on top of the roof last night.
Remember, we might do a major innovation.
Mm-hmm.
For making it look even better. So this is just the
Wow.
fixing up. I don't know, we come for help. So we have a problem with me here right now. So we're going to help him also.
That is it. Yeah, man. So, as I said, the mesh is here. I'm going to use concrete on the wall, which we're going to do in a little bit.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to use concrete. So, the mesh is here to hold the concrete. So, the mesh is going to be acting as steel. Alright? So, we're going to just space on the concrete on it, wet it up, and just space on the concrete on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and stop out them places. Oh, we're going to need a gallon of primer.
Mm.
Anybody have no primer can dash it? Would I take you over here, sir? Yeah, I'm going to need a gallon of primer for go back over this. And upstairs, we have some work going on upstairs where we never finish prime out and paint out and stuff like that. So, yeah, man, that is it for what we go on. And then we have all of the wall, the wall that face on the outside, all of them going to do with the mesh and stuff like that. Inside the bathroom, the bathroom also going to be re-innovated.
Mm.
So I'm going to cut off the shower area from the bathroom and turn it into a closet. So when you come, so this, remember when you open this door right as well, is a bathroom which enter you into the shower area. This is normally the shower area when you step in here. So. However, this is going to close off from here, so the bathroom going to separate over this. The bathroom go over there, so. And this is going to be a closet, so you can hang up your clothes, you can put your suitcase and all the vibes and things. Yeah? And then the bathroom going to renew over this. I think probably when you going to enter the bathroom from that door around there. So we're going to take off the small balcony from that side here, so and just turn it into a complete room. Alright? Okay. For bathroom and recreational vibration. So
That must say a whole heap of stuff. Cause
yeah,
around
man.
been
Yeah,
a dig down and everything.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
So,
When we finish by 2 then, the whole of them things we are going to take up and organize and clean up, wash up plate, everything and set it up for him do.
show it if you show it.
Yeah. A crazy thing, man.
So watch you know again. Solar wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, this is going to be a solar wall right here. So see, this is fully active right. How many tested it?
Right here, sir.
No, see tested it right over there. So yeah, man, see there. This right now is not, what do you call it, exactly pointing to any sunlight. But if you go to boom and check it, so put your thing on DC testing. So the one with the deep hole, or let me see the one with the hole. This flat part here is the female.
Yeah.
Is the ground. Also gonna have black. And the one with the long thing is the male, is the live. So watch this. So we're getting 19 volt from this and it's not pointing directly to no sun.
No sun, just light a shine.
That may I talk about, just light a shine, see there?
Yeah.
So basically I get the full max of this panel here.
And I just light a shine.
And I
pan.
just light a shine panel.
Right.
Yeah, man. So I'm gonna put 2 of them. So 19 and 19, how much? I don't even know. I have to
Yeah,
check
man.
my pan calculator. Yeah, man. So there's gonna be one here, as this one is here, and there's gonna be another one right here.
Right there.
Yeah, man. So I'm gonna join
Oh,
2 of them together.
Careful.
No, listen to me now. Me have to test my place before you come in at my place. Come test it for me. So anything you come in and think you may experience that long time.
See that man turn up?
Yeah, man. Right for the edges, so. No pop into the thing.
Yeah, so when we found here, so I'm barely dead, but it wasn't like this. So I'm gonna do some reconstruction of this. Very
So-
sturdy and strong.
So that where you're standing right now,
Yeah.
Noel, is actually brand new.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It is it already?
Yes. So first of all, every single board will go down there, so we have to test it before the second one go up on it. Make sure say it well strong. you know, everybody have to bear their own weight, you know, before and then say, can you imagine when all the weight come together? I mean, all the strength come together, it's extremely strong.
Yeah.
You know, every single wood that got this up, everyone need to bear at least my weight first. And then all of them put together and deal with the thing properly. You know what I'm saying?
Man.
So, yeah, man. So, bathroom, yes or no?
The toilet still around?
Yeah, man, fully active, man.
Cause I don't use it yet, you know.
Well,
it feel like me have to go sample it, you know.
Well, no, it's
So
the face.
we are gonna clean out the whole of in some massive
Yes,
and
some space
get
like
it
the
up
side
and
of the
run.
business.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Me not have a problem with that side there, sure, me good. But with this so high in here, nobody now go see me, aye?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
So we are gonna clean up. I mean, say we work, we follow there for work and things, so we are do the whole of them make a thing.
Oh, and hold on. So, look at the seriousness of how me use my tool now. So, when we talk about tools, so see that saw here? The battery, this is a battery saw. And so what I do, I just connect two wire in it. Well, if you don't want to get it neither, you can get an idea. Just connect two wire in it and use a regular 12 volt battery and run it. Same thing for me drill. Connect two wire underneath it and use a 12 volt car battery and run it.
Run it.
Yeah, man. You know
That's how we tell you now. If you don't have a tool, man, you feel like you not work.
Yeah, man.
Wrol can.
Yeah, man. I can use it, man.
Yeah.
Just
Man,
like that.
man. So,
Yeah, oh, the solar charge controller is a gift from a general, Mr. Damien Hustling. Big up yourself, Sir Damien. See that? Yeah, man. Take me picture.
Damien hustling.
Yeah, man.
Big up to Damien every time. You hear that?
Yeah, man. Fully active. So,
So we talk about massive, but them things we talk about, Wrol,
Yeah, man.
I've used to them. So I can show you which part we sleep. As a matter of fact, before we go shall we sleep, I could just take a look around here, so.
yeah, man.
Around here, so now, fully good, fully organized and fully ready.
Yeah, no
So-
work now going for out there.
Yeah, if nobody in there and want chill, definitely the relaxed spot for you.
Basically a different portal to a different side after.
Yeah,
And I like how runners look nice.
nice. So in my last video, one time my wife and my daughter did forward a run, so them chill.
Yeah, man. It's a
Yeah,
nice
man.
chill
We
spot.
put
You
out
see it there?
about 3 chairs. We have some chair and thing out here, man. Where we just sit down
But if
on a
you don't
easy.
have a chair, you can sit down in the tree.
Yeah, all like tree. We in there with that toothpick I go and brace in a tree.
See there?
Well
See that tree
comfortable.
house?
That is it.
I can see that and
Easy.
All the vibes and chill.
right.
I mean,
Yeah,
A
man.
nice vibe. We don't relax on this right now.
Sturdy.
Oh, yeah.
Brother, me can jump in at this. Right now, me sure about this a place. If Melissa not here on this a place, brother, we can. Yeah, man, we good, man.
you have to come better than Melissa.
Yeah, man, you have to fall better than Melissa.
For the Melissa, for
Yeah, you have to come. I know say Melissa did well good.
I beat me say when at first thing, when my father me say hurricane, me man say no hurricane that was a beast.
Oh, jeez.
When me still me looking at Wrol, yeah, man, rather say yo, trust and believe, man.
Yeah, man, a beast that one.
All right, so
That is it.
we'll go see all the room. So this is really the where everything goes down.
Yes.
The main room and things. So a whole heap of things pack up in there. We'll go clean up and see if we can get my bed for lie down and we'll see what go on. But we are putting in some work today and organize back up and set up a place to start the renovation. So a whole heap of things are going to come out and re-innovation. Jesus, man. So make we show you see all the next step if we go up on the we're up on the first floor,
Yes.
second floor that. So we are go about the next third and fourth floor.
Alright.
Yeah, so we'll go.
Oh, this is one room. But you put everything in it.
Yeah, everything. Forget them out of the way.
Alright, so this is just temporary storage.
That is it.
This is actually a room.
So them are asking which part me sleep. I know them asking which part me sleep.
Which
if
part
me
you
not
sleep?
am.
Yeah, cause me never know which Wrol go sleep last night.
Alright, so watch it now. So watch this now. So this right there, so we just go some up and drop this.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. And see me have mattress over there, so we can just drop it.
Me don't remember that in Wrol.
Yeah, man. I see.
Said that was that. Cause the last time me know I'm on TV, Wrol take down all the TV. Oh,
Yeah.
you really do some work.
Yeah, man, me I do some change because there was a curtain here and all that something. I change up the decor and all them kind of vibes. I get a different kind
Yeah.
of touch, you know what I say?
Cause this was like one living area and one living room and thing, you know, bro.
Okay.
TV, the up there up on the wall and sit.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, fully active, man.
Mad.
And that I go on. So me I do some changing, some re-innovating and good vibration, re-decor and all them kind of vibe. You know what I say?
Man.
Reset the setting, wanna make it bigger and better.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm like that idea. So you know, say once you sleep in here, nobody can come up to the door. Yeah.
Alright, you see,
on.
when you're in, you're in.
Lock.
When you're in.
And when you're out, you're out.
Yo.
Yeah, man. So when things are going, you know, get caught from the corruption boat. So when you're in, you know, when you're out, you're out. And never get catch from the corruption boat. Yeah, man. So watch this now. Watch this now. So, right here, so,
Same thing.
same thing are going because when the heavy wind come in, I mean, the water blow and project through them where the wood them join and soak in from the inside. I don't want that for happen. I don't want no water at all coming in for me. No other Miss Melissa or nothing otherwise than that. Not supposed to put in no more water for me. It wasn't a lot, but water come in, and so I don't want that. So me I go just sort out the thing, fixed up properly and done. So this I got concrete off this and then I go put a little piece of casting right here, so
Send the
just to
water.
keep the water away from where the joining come down, so no soaking.
okay.
So anything come through here, so it will go directly outside downstairs.
Out on the ground.
Yeah, man, down a ground. But it's not supposed to come across here, so you know. So and that I go on, and then I go put up back a different step.
Because there was a step used to be.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So the step material, man. But I'll put up a different step so you can walk up here more comfortable. The stepping is kind of high right here. So. Oh, and then the last time you came here also, this table was gone.
Yeah, for sure.
So I had replaced this table.
So a nice sit down here.
Yes.
Everything new to me, so I go
man.
and visualize it, you know?
Yeah.
There's a nice eating
Hold on.
spot.
Well, it look like you're afraid if it's done one. Yeah.
Oh, show them. Because you know me, I have
Yeah,
film.
man. No. You have to do it to show people you want to go on this.
Cheese and I make you sit
Try
in the
it
chair.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, man. Try it out.
right as so now, you just sit down.
And then show
And
you what I go on.
You just look out.
Oh yeah.
Nice POV vibe. Up in the treetop. Right here, so we can afford to eat to look how big in the morning.
See you where.
Right, yes, sir.
Yeah,
That
man.
is it.
And sip your tea, you know?
I'm going to take in the vibration
Easily.
under the cool. But if you feel like you want to do it in the sun, if you feel like you're a tourist and want some tanning,
Yeah.
there's another one up there, sir.
Coming. And so we have, you have cheers
Yes.
and thing too.
There you go.
So from these cheers are here.
Look at this amazing view. I'm gonna step back so then you can see it properly. Again.
Beautiful, man.
Right in the tree house.
That is it.
Can't get no more better than this.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I don't know if all of this I'm going to do.
Yeah, man.
So much. Oh, yes.
Oh my mighty. You never feel like we in one tree.
I tell you, man.
Swear. Alright, go on up better than Noel. You
Alright,
first.
Up there,
So, gone.
Because
So-
of our ends we sleep last night, you know.
So watch this now, guys. So this is where my general visitors, them who have the camera, this is where them choose to sleep last night.
Maddest life.
Yeah, watch your man in camp.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, people, so this is
Come,
Yeah,
camp
step.
side. Watch your man in camp for the man in camp them goes.
Right on the pinnacle.
Eh?
Look at this.
One occupies sky view and one occupies the flat. As a matter of fact, listen. One I think we love about them things there. I never know so I saw them pretty and bossy.
On the inside, eh?
Watch it, hold on. Come here, man.
I will take off this.
I want you have there.
Oh gosh.
Listen,
Oh yeah.
come here. Come here. Come show the people what the house look like.
So
Come here, just a second.
this is how Noel brace last night.
Look for the man, them
So-
ends.
Yeah.
Comfortable bed. So Noel have blow up ends, blow up bed. You have space with bags them and so by so.
Hold on. The man have all a ceiling fan.
So ceiling fan with light. I think it's what I say.
man.
Yo,
Listen.
this is how Noel sleep last night on top of the tree house. No joke.
Listen, man.
So no rain, no gonna stop the
that-
vibe.
And that to them want to see how your quarter stake. I want to know where.
Alright.
What this you would do
So
like
this
that,
now was me. So me
Fabian.
sleeping at this now.
When you wait to somebody sleeping on an upside down tent.
Let me see what I go
So
on.
me turn my tent upside down to get the hard top up in the ear. And see we have the zipper and everything.
Hold on.
So this is me last night.
Look
now.
how, you know, the man, them thick bossy.
So massive. So see me have the mesh all around you know. The see-through mesh all around. So crazy breeze
And
and
crazy
coolings last night. So Boy, me a lie down, me just a look out for all I light them and thing right across for St. Elizabeth and Black River.
Westmoreland?
Yeah, so my bag with me clothes there, me had a bag there, me have my power bank, me charge my phone and do all of that. And trust me never need no fan nor nothing, bro. I freeze last night. But give thanks, me they have a blanket and my sister they buy me as a gift to that. That is that. Me I tell you say that when you wrap up in a that man, you feel good. So look where me sleep last night. Yeah man, look at me sleep last night. On top of the top.
Sky view.
In the sky.
This is called
Eh?
a sky view deck.
The sky view deck. Me sleep on last night. You know when like pinnacle like tree me sleep last night, you know, bro.
10th floor.
Jeez!
Right?
Yeah! So Noel beat asleep. I mean, there see all of us some more solar panel over here, so but right on the sky view, me sleep. It did kind of get a little thing for used to, because first you get a little rockings when the breeze a blow hard last night. And me I say, yeah man. And me just go so boom. By the time I shut me and realize the little rockings, so me I get to put me to sleep. And I say, blow, me can't even stay up on my phone.
Bird, right?
Me start doze off, I say me a buck. But I say, it is just beautiful to get this experience. So before me could go down right down here, so me talk around, look a bit for clothes and thing.
Yeah, because I need to ask him the question of the day.
Yeah.
Why did you choose to build a tree house? So I'm going to
Yeah, I'm gonna think about that.
May I ask a question for everybody right now?
For everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mr. Massive, I swear. See that? So me have step there, so you have step where you climb up on, and I in them sleep. So concrete, me have a sponge in there, like a bed sponge thing with fold and thing, with blanket, and me have my pillow and everything. And I in them sleep last night, and let me tell you man, when me tell you say me sleep, see that you can't see in there. So the breeze and thing just a flow through. Even right now you can lie down in there and the breeze just a flow through and it is super nice. You see me? So blouse and skirt. Am I living now?
Listen to
Man's
me,
living man.
Calm down, no, man. Calm
Man's
down.
living,
calm,
man.
Calm down.
Yeah man, man's living man. I swear to you.
Yeah, man. So that is. So I need to make sure so you're getting a
I wonder if them a feel the breeze.
Oh gosh, man.
I wonder if them a feel the breeze.
You have to experience it.
Cool breeze you know, let me say.
Place cool and
Cool
nice.
and nice, you know.
You have to experience it personally, not have to experience it. You see?
And you lie down right, so right now with
You
the
have to
blanket
start-
and thing, you have to start sleep.
You have to sleep.
You just want we stop chatting. From we stop chatting,
No,
I hate that.
as a matter of fact, you're gonna feel so good. You probably all sleep with all the chatting.
and when we stop chatting, be like, yo, stop chat.
Yeah, what you say?
Go back to chat.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, oh, let me borrow
what you
that
say?
here, yeah.
The question at the moment, why did I choose to build a tree house?
Yeah.
So-
So, you come up with the idea and choose to do it right here.
Alright, so watch this now. So, the tree talk to me.
The tree talk to you.
Hold on, go on, go sit down.
yeah, man. The tree talk to me, man. The tree talk to me. So here we are going. So one hold down there, so people, portal. Portal is a real thing. Portal is a real thing. I really never, I don't think I've experienced a portal where other people talk about, but me experience my own portal. Not the portal around there, so. That is a recreating of a different portal. But there's a whole round of so was alright, let me fix back that. Yeah man, don't cut it though. There's a hole down there so we have some fever grass plant round. When we dig out that hole because I was thinking of doing a regular contemporary, I don't know if that's what I call it, but a regular farming. So I dig out that hole this area here where I go. I'm gonna dig that hole to make a tank for catch water. Because you know say farmer normally go through some severe drought and stuff like that from time to time. So I dig out that hole there and reach down to a certain depth and I'll get a ladder and put down night and dig out if you climb and going back and foot. And then I look around the region and say, alright, I have to groom that tree, I have to put that and fix up the place a certain way to make sure so I crop them come in because I know that plants when you're doing farming love sunlight. And so the ladder that I took from out of the hole along the so I carry it and lean it on this tree. And let me tell you something, guys. When we go so up and climb up in the tree just say like hold it right there so. I hit that. I yes more a long time. And let me tell you something, man. A dream, a vision just start flow. I mean, it's something like I have never seen. I mean, like I was so excited at the moment. As a matter of fact, I'm supposed to can find a video at that time when I just found the tree house when we can pull together. Yeah, man, if you follow me for Treehouse Paradise plus JA, you will see me. I go show them things later on. Yeah, man, but I mean, it started right there to start getting all the material together, and then as I go along, you know, it just the inspiration come as to what to do and what to do, and then I mean, the inspiration just keep on going and going because even after Miss Melissa, you know, you have to put some respect on the name, Miss Melissa. I mean, you can see that there's a lot of changes that happen on the house and outside of the property. You know, because Skyview wasn't before Miss Melissa. You know, Miss Melissa inspired that, and Miss Melissa also inspired a wider space for you to walk around and have a massive tent like that up there.
Oh,
I mean, that tent can host like 3 persons right now.
Yeah, man.
That me I talk about. So Miss Melissa did that. Yeah, man. So that was the thing for the inspiration behind. You know, I mean, the space was just there, and you know, you just see the thing and just bring it to life. You know, that give a lot of joy. You know, just see it and just watch it come true to life. You know, like over there, so we're going to take a walk over there shortly. I'm going to show you a vision and a dream. I see a massive blows now those river where people, you need to come on board with me with that one they big. The one that gonna really need some something for deal with that the one there.
My
Yeah,
God.
man. But that project is awesome. You think so this are nothing yet. I mean, we need to go cross over the fence over there, so we are going on a
Different level thing. So tell people now. So what
Okay,
about
I tell you.
people wanting to stay here?
listen, if you want to stay here, you just link me up. A simple maths. Just link me up and I will chat with organize the time as long as we're ready and you know organize whatever for do.
And Wrol never
Yeah,
ready
man.
yet. Wrol never ready yet. You have to just tell him say you're
man.
coming.
Yeah, just tell me say you're forward. You know,
Yeah.
because even now since you're outside, as a matter of fact, then you know so me never even want you to come right now, why you to come right now.
Yeah,
Because
cause I tell you
But
so
hold on.
come work and
hold on, but even get into that. Let me tell you something. I never know that I had pride like that. I think so many dash like that, you know. Yeah, man, you know, pride is a serious business.
True.
Because here we are going. And because my place chaka right now, me no want to come at my place, you know. Because that me I look on, but then me go so up and check the level and me I say, oh, Jano Star, you know, say, you have some billionaire people right now. We have money like a backside. And them sick like a fart and they can't do nothing to them place. They can't allow nobody to come at them place. But recognize that they could have get some help, you know. But a pride that stop them from get some assistance.
See where you're going, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
But because of pride, because of self, you know what I say? So here we are going. You know, I'm glad when time my lesson them come and I can go so up and look through them. We
Definitely.
can look through my lesson them and just drop that, you know, because all of we have some things in our full life we need to drop. Just leg off it. Leg off of this thing that we call self and move to higher heights because self hold you down. Self hold you hostage.
Really?
Self put in a, I mean, self is a terrible thing. Yeah, man. Pride keep you hostage for a certain way of life. You know what I say? If you go so up and just throw that way and just move forward, you recognize the boy, you breathe easier, your life becomes healthier, you become wiser, you become more communicable. Yeah, let me use that word. My word that.
Yeah, we don't know it still.
Yeah, well, my meaning for it is that you can communicate with other more, you know, because you're not gonna hold no self thing. You know, you're gonna level yourself and down on one level and just reason. Yeah, man, reason with people, see things in a freedom way from time to time. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Sometimes we really feel arrogant and ignorant because we feel like we have it and know it and all them things there because of self.
So for the Airbnb, you know, pretty much persons, may I tell you, the sleep where me and Noel receive in
It's
the
like
ends
none
last
other.
night. I'm telling you, bro. And you see me, that man, me love darkness. See, me love sleep when the place is dark. So you see, last night up there when the place dark up and thing and lie down and a hold back of energy. First, me did dip on my phone and I say, I get the little breeze here blowing on the place to stay. So I say, blow. I must have lean back. One night time, I hear Noel phone, you know, like Noel dip on him phone, you know. But then I realize that a Noel phone does a play. Him not in there. Because I say, boy, Noel ain't gone in your bed. Nah, hear my answer me.
I saw me go sleep.
I say, yo, Noel, we are doing. You not gone in your bed. No sound me not hear. Only phone me hear a play. And then like long after me hear the phone does silence, I look like it move and say, are you still watching? And nobody now answer. And it does so it was really tranquil, really nice. And I'm glad so we have like one more night here also to go and kick it and hold back of energy. So if you want to stay here, which you will definitely love, you just want to breathe, there's a different level.
Getaway.
Yeah. Come in at the woods off grid with your wife, with your family, your husband, and you just want to do something different. You link Wrol, and the place is super safe, super nice. You want to hear something weird too? When we came here, all our luggage and load, they just left downstairs. Like literally, a grub, and we just left them there, go to bed. I just... Wrol just say, yo, like, who is coming right here so to take up these things, to carry them where I rob you?
Then for days, me left this place with the door wide open. As a matter of fact, right now, me have a chicken set in the room down there, so. And me can't lock up the place if me I go. Me have to leave the door open so that they can go out and come back in because they're not going to poo in the house.
Yeah.
You know, she need to go outside.
But I see no chicken. You see no chicken?
Yeah, but she come out this morning. She come out well grumpy this morning.
Yeah, man.
And then the cat them come greet her right there, so.
Hey, me never see no.
Yeah, man, yeah. Well, there's a hen down there sitting inside the room. And some I tell her, say, oh, me leave here for days. And the door have to be left open so she can go out and come back in. And nobody now come in your place. That me I tell you.
I must have all our things them be downstairs and we feel safe. We know hear. And number one, if somebody a fall, they can probably hear him from a mile or come. Because the place so silent in the night where other than you hear the animals them where so sound we hear.
Oh, last night?
Yeah, last night.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, so yo, that's a different sound we hear. Like couple times we have to look at and say, yo. I want the sound weird in there. What kind of sound that's in there?
Because up here they have no light pollution.
Yeah.
You can see the star out of the plane.
Bro, yeah, that was the maddest thing last night. We never noticed that so air traffic. Like really, I got over Jamaica. Like, yeah, see a 3-4 different planes are traveling at the same direction. One time.
The same direction.
Yeah.
Because you have them crazy.
Yeah, we have a plane behind them one another. Like this one another, so then this, then and behind them are going in the same direction, same route.
Yeah.
You see me, same speed.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
You can't see everything but the skies from
Yo,
this
it was
region.
crazy.
Yeah,
yo, Wrol.
love and respect.
A mad thing,
man.
yeah, when Wrol thump off a fist, yeah.
Yesterday, we just had a man said so. I say, yo.
Let me flash out.
I say, yeah, man.
Yeah. Wrol, when you agree me, are you 30? You done mash it up and then you're 30.
I see that hammer, you know, I see all I do. I see that hammer.
I think I never use a thumping in here, brother. Yo.
So, you have to strong and for the work.
Yo, but see, be one we tell her what they're going to go, but flash you. Your finger feel like he broke. And then he goes, broke the hand, and then he goes, broke the rib. Now goes,
I lock it like one. Yeah, lock it, you know what I say. So,
Jesus, man. So, it's just a great vibe, man.
So,
Yeah.
there you have it, people.
No, you don't donate it. No, go on the
Yeah,
farm.
no, man. Go on the farm. But I said, there you have it, the story of the tree house. Ron didn't choose the tree house. The tree house chose Ron.
That is it.
And the tree talk to him and say, him listen.
Yeah, man. See how you say, God.
Him listen, him hear the voice, and him listen.
That is
And the man have like man like me and you right now, they are sleeping at the treetop.
Reggae people.
And feel safe and nice. Massive, I'm telling you.
And him the tree good, so the tree continue For go strong. It's a beer.
And the tree are beer right now. What you gonna do with so much mango? Is that East Indian tree?
No, come on, mango.
Come on, mango tree.
Some of them are gonna drop off, you know, but you know, it will still produce. It will produce a lot. Same way, just the same.
Yeah.
You know?
Anybody want big up, bro?
Listen, me have a whole heap of people big up. Me have to go write one list. Listen, come over for my channel, come and big you up here, man. Come visit me.
Next question.
Yeah.
Just think about you have an idea how old this tree?
This tree is over 300 years old.
Yeah.
As well.
Yeah, man. This tree and that house is alright. So them people are the people who are responsible for them tree we see along the region, right? Yeah, man. So them people are the people in the region. So them come in and them plant them fruit tree. You know, so when we said this was a community of one, you know, one owner. Just like for instance, you go in some city, I mean, you know, town.
No, but none of that. Same like how you there now with the trees and you plant up some fruit tree in the same time frame.
That is it. Oh, so the visitor them supposed to come visit.
Yes.
Oh, some visitor did to forward too.
A very pleasant day to you. Yeah, man, no problem at all.
What then last?
Yeah, man. So what's your location now?
Alright, so let me see phone there. So I can get a look at it.
At the phone, you know, no sign around you. Who, nobody in it?
No,
Oh,
so there's a wall here with paint in a black, yellow, and green. This is Jamaica, so yeah.
and there's a right hand turn. There's a right hand turn, right? It's not a lane, it's a road, man. Where you see a ditch pan. If you're going out, you see a ditch pan your right hand side. There you go. You're gonna take that road and come up until you reach the square of St. Paul's. And then there's so you're going to continue on that road. And when you reach up in a St. Paul's Square, you're going to take a right turn, come up the hill towards Mayfield. If you see anybody ask a question. Free credit? No, man. You have a good little distance for go, man. Just stay up on the road, man. So you just take that right turn there. Yeah, man, not a problem at all. You see a Appleton Estate sign right in front of you, right? No. Alright. That are in front of which part, the red wall, the Jamaica color wall there. Alright, anyway, you're up on the right track. Come up at St. Paul and give me a call. In front of one car wash.
Them I use a map? I see them I use map. And I hear that.
Yeah. Well, alright, don't watch the face, man.
Remember going to them when we pass it
Yeah,
there,
man, good. Alright, yeah. Yeah, man, so.
Yeah, when my boy said, look at them gully and lead to hell.
Yeah, man, so.
Well, yeah, massive. We now to take over that we are going to look at the farm a little bit.
Yeah,
and we will close the video there. But you know, that video is just all about holding a natural vibe. Same way with Wrol.
Hold on, wait a second.
After hurricane.
Good vibration, yeah. Lots of positive vibe. How do we say go?
Big up Chronics every time.
Long time to reggae paper bag.
Yeah, so now your question them shot to you know. Yeah man, and some nice questions. I'm glad to you there to say you can go and ask them. But I want to focus on the Airbnb aspect, like people who want to come around.
Yeah.
So it's a question where a lot of people, like so much people been asking me.
Alright, so here we are going. I have some people who scheduled to come forward in that kind of fashion and style.
Mm-hmm.
If it can be possible for them, then it can be possible for you too. All they need to do is just link me.
Yeah.
And remember now, after you guys leave here, the place is supposed to be in a better condition because we're going to do some work.
Right now.
You know, and then after that, then the place is fully active already. Don't worry about which part me I go. Me have whole heap of space around my place. Me is a camp and all sort or something. So me can leave the place available and active for you. So just talk to me and we can chat and all our vibes.
Simple as that.
If you want my service to go and help you prepare some food stuff in the yard and thing, what kind of vibration, we can do that for you. Same way. And guess what? Trios Paradise Plus is not just about Trios Paradise Plus. If you feel like some boy you want to go on some outside venture, you can carry out that to see him way.
Yeah, like
Yeah, man.
outside incursion.
Yeah,
if,
man.
if you come with a car and thing you want to go in a
Same way.
Mandeville town, you want to go someplace, you and Wrol
Just
can
like
do
if
that.
you want to run, go down a Wires Falls, you want to run, go over Lovers Leaf, you want to run, go cross Alligator Pond, you want do all them, we can sort out them things the same way.
Easy.
Just like that.
Yeah, so
Mad
you can
thing.
do the tour guide as well.
We do all of them things the same way.
Yeah.
It's not just about, I'm not being selfish with me and those trios. Trios is not all the way, all the time. You know, we can go on the outside here. So you can catch right there so and take a tour gone all over the place, same way I will have right.
In that area.
In the region. No man, not just in the area. If you suppose you feel like you want to go for the other side, you want to left from your side and go to Portland and go check you out. You can do that same way.
Easy.
Easy. 1G.
Alright, massive.
Just
There you
tell me
have
what you
it.
want,
The
like
number go in the description right up at the top. Just give Wrol a call
Yeah, man.
and talk to him. Tell him which out you watch a video so you understand exactly what happened. So just call him, talk to him. Any donation that you have, any tools, anything we can make the thing easier. Yeah, you can make sure you have it. And if a funds you want, send him some funds, send him. Yeah,
Receive it,
me
receive
ask
it.
all of me subscribers them because from him accommodate us and we there going easy. You don't know what I like to say. Everybody put together and bless him up same way, just like how we are doing. You know what I'm saying?
I remember we have a massive project from one to throw down over there, so.
But go take a quick walk.
Yeah, man.
Go down there.
Yeah, man.
And close the video right there. So we know say people them been a watch for a little while, so it is great. Me no want have them out too long because no matter if video long to blow or roll, people still a say, yo, oh you ain't go down there so. Oh you ain't do that. And me I say, yo.
The people that love the garden, you know.
Yeah, amount of thing when we do and still ask for video did have it done. Yeah, but somebody comment and say, brother, you don't know say me can watch half a video tomorrow and half the next day. And then the other piece. I mean I say, listen up, me can't have the man. I just a walk and we a chat for you all day. Here one of them now, that's why you pay live stream.
That is it.
Who want tap? And who want continue?
That is
Eh?
it. That is
You must say, somebody say, them your video here for live stream so we can ask you one question.
Yeah,
Alright, so when we done that video, I may probably see me can turn on one little live stream. Where say Noel? If we serve, yeah, we serve.
Oh, yeah, I forgot to go live, man. We're in a boat.
We're on a boat.
Yeah, and
Hold
chat,
on,
man,
you
chat to
need to turn your camera over there so the people they see your luggage to show.
Oh, Rockstone, yeah, see, I know some of my luggage and still down as so because we didn't enough come down and take up some. See that we literally just left all the luggage them and sitting everything downstairs. And now we'll probably come down and take up in bag them and sit for go bathe and sit. Eh? You want to ask them for one more thing? Yeah.
Yeah. So any kind person, whether in a Jamaica or overseas, you see, I create a list down.
Yeah, man, I'm going to create one list and post it.
Just me I ask him, you know, Wrol is him boss in him not too. So we are asking because we know he's a good person. If you can get some solar lights, you know, like the night light them.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Because the place look good in the daytime, you know. At night time the place dark.
Yeah.
Because we're all used to the place. Right now, when the place dark, it come like him can see everywhere.
Everywhere him walk
But when
through
we
it.
come now, we not too know what going. So some solar lights, even the pepper light them. The
Yeah.
lights them with solar battery and charge and just run them class. So when night come, everything light up on the place.
Yeah, man, like
Yeah,
you want with the
nice.
boat, then we can 3 to 3 and thing, yeah.
I'm asking them there because they're cheap, they're very cheap.
Yeah.
Less than 20 I think in the Amazon wish list. Or if they can get a Jamaica, they can link him up and get it.
Yeah, you know, me I just do that. Me I just make the Amazon wish list
Yeah.
and put the link right in the description and make Wrol name the panito. That's probably me can get your shipping address attached to the list. So when anything them buy from it, it goes straight to your shipping address where you can go pick it up yourself. Cause some mistake, me no like have me no like in the middle.
And just to remind them, everything solar, in after grid, no
Yeah.
GPS, no water commission.
So everything of his solar.
Yeah, so for example, that's my solar thing right there. So if him can get some little simple one like this, even when Uno come, Uno can charge on the device.
Yeah, for charging a
Simple
device with
things
the
like
sun. So this is one where this is Noel one where Noel carry with the solar panel there and thing. When Wrol see it, Wrol fall in love right away. Wrol want go hug up with that one in his bed. When he see it.
It's a real one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Back to there, sir.
Yeah, because see I look up part of the farm because I go close anytime I know. So anybody will go cuss now I say, yo, nobody close the video yet. Walk go St. Elizabeth. We don't know about that one there now. We'll go over that side there. All the first 3 house people still asking me how videos are shot.
Oh, check out the trees on that side.
Cheese and peas.
Oh, yeah.
Look
So
there.
you want to see from that side, from that angle, yeah.
Me neither. Look on it. And now you really see it big, you know?
Look,
Mad.
massive van down
That me I
for
say.
real.
That's a code.
Yeah, because I'm supposed to come in for that side. Let's see it go. Oh. And this is the car go show the Aki tree first.
Well, might as well, because we're there, you know.
So we could have chat that chat is there, you know. Good vibration, yeah.
Jaja. I went nowhere forward.
Don't get there, there.
I be a farm down again, see more bud pepper. Yeah,
Yeah, man. Now we have to keep them
yeah, remember some of them trees went flat from Hurricane Melissa, root off the surface, brother. No special name for them banana, yeah?
Not that I know of.
Mm.
Yeah, man.
See.
But these are banana that we use for ripening purpose.
Mm.
Yeah, them don't taste the same if you try to cook them, you know.
Oh,
Alright, so see the apple tree there. Actually like taste that one tree right now.
yeah, a woodpecker.
Yeah man, I eat them, I eat. See, see how can I show the people in while going. So breakfast. Breakfast,
yeah.
lunch and dinner. See them there?
Mad.
I should have a bag.
Aki fit, no, when I ready it man, we're going to bush, I'll come back.
Mad. Nice.
Yeah.
This a code.
That is
Why place just cool and just tranquil, alright, so can take a bed.
right away.
Yeah, man.
A hammock door.
Yeah.
Right away. Oh, hold on there. Yes, the Aki tree, yeah?
Mm.
The Aki tree, all like Aki them use to stay upon it and drop off.
Alright, but it looks at things Yakichi drop down.
That me a talk about.
Yakichi drop down and still a beer.
This was a tall Aki tree. Me have to just see them Aki and watch them well. And see Miss Melissa carry come give me.
Lower it down for you.
Yeah man. So Miss Melissa just carry that come give me. Anyway, come forward. Yeah, look on the farm.
What a vibes, massive, oh my word.
So the reason why over here to look like this is because this is my herb center.
Mm.
Yeah man, so I'm gonna use no chemical at all over here. So all the way see I go on is a weed, me have to weed them. Yeah man, pineapple farm this too.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
look like you see them.
Yeah, man, I see them, man.
Yeah man, it's a pineapple farm.
Yeah, so pineapple tree, them, I'm saying.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
And this is our apple tree, this.
That is apple. Oh, I'm gonna show you my American apple. We have beer around this.
Oh, forgot you didn't show me that one there
Yeah
yet.
man, we pass you up the side now. So yes. One night time when you come across this, so this is the pure bush.
Box foot. Blood walking like we stepping on one different portal.
Different good. Yeah. So now I have a yam farm up here. I don't know if you have time to feed. I may have some corn and some holy corn that thing plant about over here. So.
Blouse and skirt.
What me want to carry over here so to see is the vision and the dream. So it's not for the farm.
Blouse and skirt.
Yes. A different place, right? Different language. It's a good look.
Whole heap of land this general.
Well, I show you the beauty of it.
Look for it at different angles.
Jaja. Wanna still a watch massive? Come on.
So we have some brand new planting coming in. Some peanuts, some corn, some cane.
A banana tree still. A banana tree plant.
Yes, pimento. Smell it.
Pimento?
Yes.
As in literal pimento we cook with?
Yes, sir.
So where's the green?
Them blossoming right now.
I can smell it. Look
Oh
at
yeah
it.
man, it's strong for you.
Oh, we'll go for here.
Come with me. Where the time? Come on.
Yo, it smell good here, man.
Come with that in. So this used to be a bush. I mean, serious bush now where they gone.
Right, before we continue upon that, the pimento like how me smell the tree.
Yes, sir.
Can the leaf like the stick them use?
Yes. Yes. The leaves can be used the same. As a
So why we not program the leaf them too? Because it smells so strong and
Alright, so the leaf,
flavorful.
the leaf is what they use to make pimento oil, which you can't just go buy like that. Itself a expensive money. But you can get the, no, don't drop your oil. If I think, wait until you left from over here. Yeah, wait until you left from over. Stick it for me. Stick it for me.
That juke.
Yeah, man. So what you know? I'd have viewed them more if you see that.
Cheese and peas.
Nice piece of view. So what you say the vision to right here?
So right here, sir. Yeah, man. Come stand up right at the side and this is the rock there.
Me no wonder if I rock with me, I rock.
No.
Yeah.
So the rock there, this is that rock there with them broadleaf plant upon it. We need a waterfall right there, so. This is just like that's it. It's going to some place and you see some water pitch out of some rock and stuff like that. We need a waterfall up there, so. We need a decent river inside of them rock here, so.
Yeah.
I mean, hold the camera good so you can identify the stone. You know, we can have the river flow through it with some decent pretty fish that slide through it. And then we have some stone building, you know, overlooking that view over there. So check it, you catch a view there?
Yeah, man.
Overlooking that view over there, so you just chill with a decent piece of boardwalk go all the way over there. So not really board, but made of concrete.
Yeah.
You know, so me going want something now to carry my material back and forth. You know, more want a little tractor little vibe where we can use and pick up the stone and because down there so
Holy stone.
is which part we're going to have the fish pool. So the swimming pool going to come in active again, and then we have a fish pool down there. So. And also the portal, the water slide, I go zoop past all
You
of
can see say wall, you can see wall of that look valley there right there. So
there you go.
where you slide.
So if you want to enter through the door up there, so you just a slide that go to back to a different place. No, you see how far they with this.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah, man.
Jump in a mini pool. A miniature
In
pool. and
our
stop
mini
there.
pool. Yeah, man. So that I go on for what I go on.
Bro, go see the amount of people we are coming so come all a joy.
Yeah, man. So it is.
Say just come and so come camp. You know, so you come at least 1 day, 2 days and stay.
Because you can't use 1 day and go to Paradise Plus.
No, go work.
1 day now go do it. You need more than 1 day now to go through and then get the fullness of the fullness. You see?
On the place, man.
So that I go on for what I go on then. Yeah, man. So and then you have fruit trees in between just the same because a lot of place plants up right now, but they don't pop off yet. You know, look on them corner you. Look at it. And this is not ready yet.
Sweet corn.
No man, a regular Jamaican corn man. Common corn man.
Big so.
That me I talk about. So here we are going. As I say, this place used to be bush. Say properly fertile. No fertilizer, no manure, no nothing. Just dig the hole and just put in this thing them like. This used to be serious bush. You know?
So we could have possibly used this strip this down so. Oh my word.
Yes, great things to you again.
Massive.
Yes, there you go. You just
Find the shade one.
Yeah, man.
come up here, come up.
Like me, I look forward to go to you know.
Which one I say?
Oh my word.
You come up the hill beside the shop. Between
Oh well.
Yeah.
Nice look at energy.
I tell you man.
Swear.
A nice stone house can do right, that's a for real, you know. So look
Me
on
say,
that.
me literally see where I talk about.
Yeah.
Me put all of them stone houses together, a bunch of things can go on. I love how pimento smell, Lord. Smell good. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's a right. It's a right turn. Extreme right, and not straight right.
Massive, if you're still a watch, man, me I tell you, say, heart of love to everybody who stay tuned and a watch, man. With the, none of my video, them, me never forward them aside, yeah? Nor talk about none of them things, you see me? Yeah, man. The hillside, beautiful. Right now, me da want one house with big glass. Catch one of them side, you know well? When you wake up, you just look on the beauty of whole of Black River, Westmoreland. You see me? Look there, man. Sure blow, wow.
But before we reach the young age, I will just about fly out there and come back.
Yeah.
I have my own mini craft, I will just fly out there. So.
Even this right now, I dem a land I like. It's like how on the hillside.
Yeah.
You feel like when me I do a land on the hillside, I saw it full of stone.
Right.
Yeah, you know, say no landslide
No water
these
now
days.
settle up.
You see me?
And no landslide.
No, a landslide you can't bother
no
with.
water now settle. And no landslide. Yeah.
Cause you literally build your house on a rock.
Yeah,
You
man.
see me?
So,
Alright, that's how me a close in a Wrol.
yeah, man, not
So-
the wrong one. It's all good.
Great Wrol.
Yeah, man.
Yo, Noel, sorry, my
Yeah.
boss, you don't know a thing go. So, why wanna hear everything? Any other question you want to ask, comment in the comment section, any other ideas, anything you want to say, comment it. Make we see that video have on 20,000, 30,000 likes funny for everybody where like for Jamaica, like for good vibe, like for great energy, like for
Innovation.
alright,
That is it.
like for re-innovation.
Innovation.
So-
Innovate, you know?
Subscribe to Yo Noel channel too as well. If you're not yet subscribe to Yo Noel channel, it's YOWNOEL on YouTube, all platforms. You see me I say, I don't know Wrol, number will be in the description where you can call Wrol. Just like all them people they are forward right now on the end. You can call Wrol, talk to Wrol, and wall of energy.
Early before
Oh,
they take
me
over.
on that way I do that. Me I look at good as me. So me ask you to pick up.
Yeah, see? You have to get them out before they reach a certain stage, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we keep the thing clean and balanced, you see?
Alright.
So massive, there you have it, another tour of the tree house. And if you want to see what we are doing with the tree house when it comes on to the preparation, the cleanup, the setback of the ideas, go over to my other channel, which is The Walk By, where you're gonna see we cook some ackee and sawfish, we roast some fish, we fry some fish,
Yeah.
we do some
Catch them yourself.
catch them myself and cook them, and always sleep through the night and thing and set up on the board whole work. So stay tuned for that, and on The Walk By channel. And also you don't know, Noel have a different perspective of this video, so you can definitely check out Noel video. So Wrol, give me a close and make it people them know say yeah.
Yes, love, respect, blessings. Keep in touch with me. I mean, you can follow me on my channel also. It's also Treehouse Paradise Plus JA, and there will be a lot going on. I'm gonna have to learn to edit video properly and all them kind of something so you can see the full 100. I mean, over there, so is the next place we need to clean down. I mean, there's a lot of work going on over here, so we need to see that dream fulfilling and coming to reality. Yeah, it's right here, but we need to make it reality so that you can be a part of it. You know what I'm saying? So keep in touch and make the thing work for all of it. Yeah, man, that is it. Peace, love, blessing. Big up all our people. Listen, Miss Michaela last time, big up yourself to girl. You're number one. What you mean? Oh, Shana, big up yourself. Simone, David, big up yourself. And for the rest of the crew, and alright, no, well, I'm gonna make one list for big up all our people we need to big up. We have some whole heap of people we need.
Yeah, we can put in a description.
Alright.
For real, like do it and send it to me, so I put in a description.
Alright, yeah man. Big up all of them people. You know what I say? That
I
is
love
it.
you.
Love, respect, and blessing. Oh, that is
Man,
it.
thank you
See
so
you
much
later.
for watching. Blessings and love every time.
See you, say.
Yeah.
Go.
We're heading out.